Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live up to 10 hours a day. It soon will be our second anniversary in just a few days' time. We've been doing this for 2 years, up to 10 hours a day. And the idea is to be the most honest, real YouTube channel in the world, reach the world. We already go out to 14 different languages. We have members now in 7 countries, and we have the highest engagement rate of any channel in the world when it comes to live viewers, regular live viewers on regular shows who are members. 95% of them are members. We are very proud of that. On average, our members watch us 4 hours a day. Yes, we are very happy to be here. We're here to help, support. We've been through all kinds of things. We've seen tragedy. We've seen happiness. We've seen people make money, lose money. Every kind of emotion and human reaction has happened on this show. It happens live, unedited, as it is. I even make my videos from the live shows. Everything in the studio is real. There's no green screens. I'm manually operating everything. There's no AI. Nothing writes posts for me. I do it all myself, and I'm very proud and happy to be here on the show. Right, let's get straight into it. First of all, we want to give you all the information. Below the information in the description of all my videos, wherever you're watching me, whether you're watching me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Good morning, TikTok. We've got a great giveaway today, $100 giveaway on my live show on YouTube. Come into YouTube and tell me you're from TikTok, and we're going to put you in a free prize draw. It's free to enter, free for all, and we're here to help people. We love doing it. All right, over on TikTok, by the way, we've got 33,500 followers now. If you click my little star that appears up here, it's a subscription. And basically what I do at the end of my live show, in about 2-3 hours from now, I will actually make you a commercial and put on my homepage of my profile. I do it for my subscribers. So the subscriber button, it'll come up just now. There it is. You see the little star? Click on the star, and at the end of my video, I will make you a commercial. Put your channel on this screen here and promote to 33,000 people your channel and invite them all. And it remains permanently on my profile, also in my playlist for my super fans. I never delete it. It's there to help you. It's a little thing I do for my subscribers. It's a great thing. All you got to do is click the star, and I'll make it for you at the end of this video. And then I'll tag you in my viral post. My subscribers have done it, said it's great. They get loads of followers and members, and sometimes they're able to monetize as well. So if you want that, that's my gift to you today. All you got to do is click the star, and I will make it for you at the end of the video. Anyway, coming back onto YouTube again, I can see we got people smashing the likes, the 100, the smileys, and the confetti. That really helps our channel. I know it's hard work for you to do that, but thank you. We are just a few away now from our target on Facebook as well. We're trying to get to 1,000 followers. We just started really working with Facebook. They just started promoting us, and there is my Facebook link if you want to follow the page. Once we get to 1,000, we can turn on our first features, 5,000 and 10,000. So we're excited about that. Anyway, let's get back to our main trading screen. Let's have a little look at our overall positions. I took an investment last night. Anybody know what it was? If you join me in the AI earnings, you will know what I bought last night. Here is my overall position, and typically when you buy something, you are down, but then the markets are down at the moment. There is my overall position. There's the Roth IRA, and of course we got good news. We're $1,100 away. Well, in fact, just under that now, but nearly 1,000. Thank you, Mike Bruce, for liking the stream over there on Facebook. That really helps. Thank you. So what did I buy last night? Well, I'll share with you right now. Here it is. This is what I bought last night. I thought, what the heck? Let's get into AI. And of course, I'm already in AI by simply owning Google, Microsoft, the S&P 500, Nvidia's in there. I already own it, but I just fancied a little bit of direct investment. So C3.ai. I said to you when it pumped all the way up, be very careful. It will get dropped. Well, was I right or was I right? Yes, of course I was right. I'm always right. It went all the way back down again. Well, there it was. It went all the way back down again. And that's what happened. And what did I do? I bought it here. Now I'm down very slightly. I'm down 1.72 because you can never time the market and get the right price. But I like the idea. Ali Tizro has also liked the stream on Facebook. Let me see how close we are now. We are at 808 followers on my Facebook page. Very nice indeed. Martyn Lucas Investor. This is the page, by the way. And up to last week, I wasn't getting any views whatsoever on Facebook. And I now am. It's absolutely great. This is how my Facebook works. The reason why I've started to get traction is because of the Reels. Let me show you the Reels. This is what I've been doing. And I've been quite busy with it. As you can see, having some success here. You can see some of these videos I've had. Look, there's one here. One here just a couple of days ago. If you look here, look, 4,800 views. So that's what's happening. That's what's promoting the Facebook. Anyway, excellent stuff. You want to be on all the platforms, and if you can, it's hard to be in touch with them all. But anyway, we do our best. Let's bring in the comments here this morning. We've got Sid from the Netherlands. Put your city and country in and I'll speak to you in your language. You put your native language in. Hello, hello, hello. Sensei Crypto. Talking of Sensei Crypto. Sensei Crypto. This is down to you. And I mention you and I actually want to do something for you this morning as a little gift to you. Always try to do little extra things. So, Sensei, I've got a little gift for you. I want to do this for you, right? Okay. If you look on my TikTok and find this video, XRP, it's had 33,000 views in 2 days. All right? 33,000 views in 2 days. Now, what I'd like you to do, I would like to make you a moderator of my TikTok, if I've not already done so. And if you go into the video, you can see all the comments that the video has had. It's not very easy to show you here on the computer, but if you go into your phone, you'll see it. And I'd be, as a moderator, I'd be very happy for you to drop your links for your Sensei Crypto website, okay? And I will approve them. So, and I will reply to them to give them credibility so people can see that I've replied to you. So if you want to promote your website, go into this video here, and it's had 33,000 views. You can like it, comment, lead your website, and I will promote it for you and reply to people. And you know, it will take this. It will take this. If you reply to everybody, that is, you know, genuinely a decent person that, you know, qualifies for a response, because there's lots of bots. If you reply to those, this will get to 100,000 within maybe a week. Okay, and then it will drive a lot of traffic to your website, as long as I reply and give it credibility, and I will. All right, that's my little gift to you. All right, this morning. Brilliant. All right, so get busy while you're watching the stream. Okay, I've got a job to do now. Hi, Sid, Mike, good morning. Hi, Sensei, good morning, Martin. Do you still believe in Tilray stock getting back to 40? I don't know. Honestly, I don't know right now. It popped up a little bit this morning. It's falling away. It's a big position for me. Like I said on the video, it's really straightforward. When a CEO decides to dilute the stock when the stock is down on its knees, is an act of desperation. It means potentially everything's over. Now, I've had people overnight message me on YouTube. Unbelievable. He doesn't know what he's talking about with Tilray. The fanboys are out in mass again. We know all about the fanboys. No one's interested in fanboys, but they all come out, start talking rubbish, start making up stories. It's all good at Tilray. Oh, yeah, of course it is. Yeah, it's great. It's great the stock is down like 90%. Of course it is. Well, that's just the way it is. Tilray's great. Well, the reality is the situation has changed, and they decided to dilute the stock. And, of course, that's no good for the investor. However, I have always said, if they are diluting the stock to raise funds to make the company more profitable, that can be good for the company. That's why I haven't sold my position. It could be a catalyst, but could comes with a massive question mark. We don't know. We need more analysis, and I'm looking into it all the time. Anyway, that's my position right now. Ahoy Troop, says Keaton S. Hi Keaton, says Mike. Tia Roll is here. Good morning, Tia Roll. Hi Martin, and greetings to the chat and the viewers. Welcome our guests from Korea. No, it's Taiwan, isn't it? Taiwan. Let's say hello to our guests. Welcome to our guests from around the world and in Taiwan today. This isn't working. It used to work very well. The AI isn't working so well now. Welcome to our guests. See, it's rubbish. It's not doing it. Welcome to our guests today from around the world and especially in Taiwan. We hope you are happy and well. There we go. Let's try that again. There we go. This is for our guest in Taiwan today.
今天欢迎来自世界各地的客人，特别是台湾的客人，我们希望您快乐幸福。
Zach is here. Good morning, Zach. Raphael Marquez is here. Raphael, remind me what country you are from, and I'll talk to you in your native language. Tio, good morning to you. Eric is here as well. Brilliant. Bill is here. Our man with a hat struggling in, grabs my comfy chair and watches. Thank you very much indeed. Bill, Mike, Agent Shu. Good morning, Agent Shu. Malk UK. Scott Whittington, do you think governments will start banning cryptocurrency? Some countries already have, but I don't think it's going anywhere. It's why 5% of my portfolio is crypto. We have a crypto partner here on the channel, Sensei Crypto. We do our $1,000 to $10,000 challenge, which I am on, $7,000 to $100,000 challenge, which many of my members are on. So no, we believe crypto is here for good, and some countries will try to ban it, but I don't see that as being mass adopted by the UK, by America, and other countries like that. Light, thank you for the follow on Facebook. Hey, we're going up now. That'll take us to 809. Oh, that could be 810. Let's have a look. Trying to get to 1,000. No, that must be somewhere. That must be somebody following me somewhere else. I think these are follows on. This could be follows on Twitch today. And if we get one more, it would suggest we've got a bot attack. Yep, I thought so. We've got a bot attack. It cannot possibly be. Let me have a look if these are real. If we get this many followers in seconds, it's a bot attack. So what do we do about it? This is what we do about it. We do this. There we go. We take away their attention and they stop doing it. All right. Attack of the bots again. I was screening some sticks last night and came up with GLNG looks promising. Agent Shu, tell me more. Become a member. Share the link with me on Discord. Virgin Galactic is down a little bit today, but holding above that target I need it to hold above. Mullen is still a disaster. It's up today, but still a disaster. Lots of rubbish being presented to me. It's never verified. Octavia, good morning to you. And welcome to you. Luke Palantir. It's not what I'm looking at the moment. Luke 9196. Become a member and I will review it for you. If you didn't get a chance to see the AI earnings last night and you want to know all about AI, learn about the company, and you should before you invest in it, there is the AI earnings. If you want to be part of our $100 cash giveaway, here is our giveaway. There it is. There's our giveaway. And if you want to be part of our Sensei Crypto Challenge, there is our Sensei Crypto Challenge that I'm involved with. Did I give you the giveaway? Yes, I did. Let me have a little look and see where we are on tickets today. It's 8 days to go, and there's some really exciting news. Looks like we're going to increase the cash prize as well. Ooh, it'll be our biggest ever cash prize if we do. All right, we did $100 last, like, is it 10 days ago? Anyway, let's have a look. 8474. 8474. So go and claim your daily tickets. No one done it yet today. All right. Evening, the AI is shocked at yesterday's earnings. Well, what happened yesterday, as I said it would, I said it's going to rise because it's trending on Nvidia, and then it would drop. I bought it on the drop here. I said I would, and I have. I am down slightly, 3%. However, I bought some. Ilya, good morning to Ilya Zamarin. Good morning, Bill. We're going to speak to Bill in Chinese. He's speaking Chinese to me this morning. Of course, Bill has Chinese connections. So let's see if we can translate Bill's comment. Bill says in Chinese, this is what he says.
来自加拿大安大略省纽马克特的欢迎
And which means
Welcome from Newmarket, Ontario, Canada.
All right. Okay, let's do it. Welcome to our friends and guests from Ontario in Canada that speak in Chinese, and welcome to our guests and friends in China. Welcome to the show. Okay, this is in Chinese. This is for Bill.
欢迎来自加拿大安大略省的讲中文的朋友和客人，欢迎我们在中国的客人和朋友，欢迎来到展会。
Eric B, we've got Coca-Cola under 60. We had a discount, not for long. No, the dividend is next week. He's right there. Of course, when it comes up to dividend week, people will start to buy in for those dividends. Always guaranteed with Coca-Cola, always increasing. So always good to own it. It's 4.84% of my main account. It is 9.4%. So I don't need to buy any more. However, he is absolutely right. If you want those dividends, keep reminding me, Eric. Keep reminding me, please. Anyway, 2,000 space is a good amount, or I need more. 7 USD average bought Andrew Tronics. Well, we can run a poll for you if you become a member of our channel. I don't know if you are. Are you a member of our channel? Let me have a look. Scroll down. And yes, if you become a member, we will review it for you. We'll discuss it for you. You could call into the show and we could discuss your account, discuss your balance, see what you've got on your portfolio, and we can do that for you, and we can run a poll for you as well. Anyway, let me give you the invitation to join, and then, of course, you need to call into Discord to if you want that conversation with us. I can't tell without knowing more about your portfolio, of course, all right? Here is our Discord link if you want to call in today, and we're going to go into the the breakfast bar right now. Okay, just before we do though, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell. You don't have to do that every day, of course. So once you've done that, you are in. But what you do need to do every day is smash the like button, because every time you like the video, it shares it to more people. There you go. Don't forget, we're at 17 likes right now, and which is rubbish. Why is it rubbish? Well, because we've got 32 watching right at the top of the show, which is absolutely great. But 17 likes. Should we put a minute on the clock? Let's do it. Said a whoomp, chiggy, 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 oomp, pow, pow. Said a whoomp, chiggy, 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 oomp, pow, pow. Would the real Satoshi stand up? Say, please stand up. Let's have a look. Someone has just become a subscriber, have they? Someone just become a subscriber. No, I thought they had. Welcome to all. One of my members has joined. Thank you so much indeed. Don't forget, if you click the star at the end of the show, I'll make a video for you. Right, 18. There you go. It's gone up a couple. Was it? Yeah, there you go. There you go. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Said a chiggy, chiggy, chiggy. Don't know why I do this. Anyway, thank you very much indeed for liking the video. Appreciate it a lot. Someone thought it'd be funny to like it and then unlike it. That's all right. We enjoy your comedy. All right, brilliant. Anyway, thank you ever so much for those of you that joined in and support the channel. Good things come to those who put energy in and always positive. Those who bring negativity and stuff, well, you just live in negativity and stuff. All right, that's what happens. That's how it works. Right. Okay, let's have a little look. Rivian, Mullen today going back down again. Rivian today is down 2.85. AI. Is AI going to go up today? So, here we go. I put a big investment. For me, 4%. 4% of my main account is now AI. That's a big deal. That's a big deal. So, let's run a poll and see if you agree with me. Tell me the truth. Was I right or was I wrong? Okay, you can tell me. It's fine. I can live with it. I'm a big boy. C3AI. Oops, why do I keep doing that? C3AI. There we go. There we go. And I need to do it this way as well. C3.ai. Okay. C3.ai. That's quite clever they do that. I just realised they do a little clever tag on Twitter. Very good. I like how they do that. They actually get a link for themselves. Very good. It's very clever, that. I'll give you that one. Okay, this is the question I'm going to ask you this morning. And I might put this as one of my... Whoops. Hang on. Oh. Drafts. There we go. That's because I came out of it. Right. Let's do that again. Right. This is the question I'm asking you, and I might put this as one of my tweets to retweet, and you can win $100 for doing it. Here we go. I just invested in AI. Was I right? Okay, there's the question. As predicted, it would drop on earnings. So I bought the bottom. Okay. Okay. So that'll do, I think. Let me just give it my tag. Martyn Lucas and Lucas Aids, of course. These are the two tags we use for everything we do. There we go. And there's the question. And was I right or not? Okay. Yes. No. Let's have a look. So there you go. I just invested in AI. Was I right? Yes or no? We'll run it for a day. And I will just give, as I always do, the link to our channel. So those of you who want to join us can. So always drop in your, it's like your business card, if you like. Whenever you're doing a post, drop in a business card. Why not? Why not? You might as well. The post might go viral and suddenly you find yourself with a load of new followers. You never know. Okay. Drop that into the bottom of the question and I can get rid of those as I've already done it. Okay. Right, I'm going to post this now. I want your thoughts on it, and you never know. I just might make it one of our competition giveaways. So there's the question I'm asking you. Was I right to buy it? Time will tell, I guess, but what do you think? Okay. So there it is. Let me close that one there and post it. And now I'm going to give everyone the link. So was I right to buy AI? Let me give you the post right now. And if you retweet it now, later in the day, I will add it as a retweet. And you can then claim your tickets for doing so. All right. Copy link to tweet. And the first people that comment, the first 10 people that comment, I will reply back to all of you. And hopefully that will grow your channel as well. So there it is. There's our poll. There's our poll in the chat for you there. And I will give it to our guest today on Facebook as well. They're watching me. There's hello, Scott. Hello, Scott. How are you today on Facebook? There's our Twitter poll for you. I will also give it to our Rumble audience. Why not? Where's the comments? Does anyone know where the comments have gone on Rumble? Toggle theatre mode. Hey, where's the chat gone? Can anyone advise where they think the chat has gone? There's no chat button on that's a bit strange. There's no chat button today. That's the pop out. This is unusual. Rumble have taken away the chat. Is it a temporary glitch? Does anyone know how you get rid of this? That's very peculiar. So I can't drop that in. If anyone knows the reason for that, I have no idea why. Oh well, 'tis what it is, I guess. Things are always changing. Eric, thank you. Yes, Eric, said Ed. Greetings to the Chinese community in Canada. I know, it's great, isn't it? Going to buy some more Coca-Cola when the market opens indeed. Hopefully it stays below 60. Engage the like button. Make it so. Good morning, everyone. Cherry, good morning to you. Is that live? What? The Twitter? Hang on. I think I might, yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Sensei. Thank you, Sensei. Good old Sensei. Good old Sensei. Yep, you're dead right. There you go. It's under screen for us. Yes, there you go. There it is. I wasn't on the live video. Thank you, Sensei. Appreciate you very much indeed. This is why you're here, see? This is why you're here. These are one of the many reasons. Anyway, we've got a good audience this morning, 16 watching us. I've just bought AI. I've just given everybody now, we've got some new guests here. Let's welcome them in. Phil Moore, what's the play today? Well, I just bought AI and I've got a poll in the chat for you. Stephen as well, Malk and Lucid Program. Lucid, oh, hello. Lucid, we got some Lucid people in today. I'd love to talk to you, welcome you onto the show. You can call in and be live on the show. I would love to hear from you because I've been putting some videos about Lucid and I'd love your thoughts on that. Anyway, Sensei, have you got busy on TikTok yet? I'm trying to help you here. You can take a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. This is what I put out for Sensei today. Look, 33,000. This can be at 100,000 if you comment on this video, Sensei, to all the comments and like and tag. I'm telling you now, 100%, this video can be at 100,000 views within a week. And it can all promote you and your wonderful training program or your wonderful thing, all right? So please do get involved with it. I'm not kidding you. Yeah, you can. And I can see you haven't commented yet. Look, you haven't done it yet. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. Anyway, drop your links in there. It says... that doesn't look right. It's not had 342. It's had 33,000. Which one is this? Oh, that's the Mullen one. Oh, I'm clicking on the wrong one. I thought that was weird. Right, it's this one. There we go. There you go. Right. There you go. So this is your chance here. Look, there it is. We've got 33,000 views, 25 shares, 68 comments, 813 likes. If you go down this list here and reply to these people, I will then reply to you. I will reply to every one of your comments and tag you. I will tag your TikTok in. And I promise you, by the end of the week, this will be at 100,000. Promoting your website, and I will tag you and your TikTok channel will grow. And any one of my followers does the same, I will tag you in it as well. Let's do something for somebody today. Let's help Sensei blow up his TikTok channel. So every one of my members who goes into TikTok and does that, let me give you the link to it. Has anyone got the link to this? Here it is. There you go. Right, send it. I'm getting the whole army on it. There is the link to it on TikTok. I'll give it to everybody in Rumble as well. And we're going to get this post to 100,000 views in 1 week. And I'm going to do it to blow up Sensei's TikTok and Sensei's website. All right? And all the members will join in. They'll all comment. We'll all comment to each other. And I guarantee 100% come back in a week. That'll be 100,000 if we all comment on it and comment to each other. I promise you it'll be 100,000 because I know exactly how it works with my TikTok account. All right? And Sensei's going to go, oh my God, I just got 1,000 more people click on my website. That's a fact. All right. He's going, yes, I'm trying to find my TikTok login. What the heck's with you? Why are you always losing your logins? Anyway, what do you think? Has anyone voted on my poll yet? 4 votes. Yes, 75% said. 3 of you said yes. 2 said no. Should have bought Tesla, not AI. I've already got Tesla. I've already got plenty of Tesla. Don't worry about that. I've got 23% of my portfolio on my Roth is Tesla. I've got Tesla. Don't you worry about that, inbound XCX. Anyway, all right. So there we go. There's my Tesla position. Right, AI. Lucid. Down to, again today. Not worth anything at all. I'd like to know what your thoughts are. I've got a Lucid contingent on Rumble today, and I'd like to know their thoughts. Right, we got 29 minutes before the bell goes. Overall portfolio is down a little bit. Am I concerned? No. Am I fearful? No, I'm never worried. Lucid is down 12%. Yeah, pre-market. The reason is it's going to go private. All right, someone said to me last night, is that legal? Well, you can't just go overnight, take it, just steal everyone's money. Of course not. What you do, you drive the company into the ground, it gets delisted, it gets bought out and becomes a private company. I had lots of questions on this when I put a video out last night saying that Lucid will go private. You can tell it's going to go private with the sentiment of Peter Rawlinson. And the questions, loads of questions. That can't happen. Is that legal? Blah, blah, blah. Well, that is how it works. It doesn't just go private because someone says so. It has to go down and be destroyed, gets delisted, gets bought out, and so on. Then it's private, right? Gets sold off, basically. Anyway, Tesla, AI. Right, let's have a look at my poll, see what you're voting on. So there you go. I've got 4 votes on it. Let me give everyone the link again. If I give you the link again, my AI poll, copy link. There you go. Here it is in the chat. Boom. Go and vote on that. I'd like to know your thoughts. Right. Sensei, I need a conversation with you because I need a 100% one way or another what we're doing with the giveaway. You talked about an idea with the charity and so on, but I do need to be clear because we're coming up to the week of the event now, so I need to be clear if there is an increase to the cash giveaway, so I can make videos on it, of course, and I need to be 100% clear of what it is. Martin, had a dream you called me to buy some. don't start dreaming of me, Sensei. That's when we're gonna have words. Martin, had a dream you called me up to buy some more XRP. Should I buy some more XRP? You've not called me and said, Martin, buy some more XRP. Now, don't say you said it a month ago. It doesn't count. I get thousands of messages a day. Anybody who wants me to do anything, keep on at me. Don't just go, well, I told you that last month. I mean, I forget, right? You got to keep reminding me. Anyway, what do you think about taking a class to learn how to do day trading? What do you think of taking a class to learn how to do trading and options trading? What do you mean? I know how to do day trading. I'm not really an options trader, but I know how to. Are you asking me, should you take a class? Well, before I answer that, I want to know, what do you mean? Are you asking me, do you want to take a class? Because this is what we're discussing and learning from each other every day. This is what we do here, isn't it? Anyway, you tell me. AI, Tesla, Lucid. Let's look at my overall position and see where we are today. We have 25 minutes to go. There's my main account, just down slightly. The Roth IRA is down slightly, so we're still in balance. The Roth IRA is doing what the main account's doing. So there's no particular stock that's driving anything in one particular direction. So that's all good. Let's have a look at the heat map. Let's see what is going on the global markets as well. Let's have a little look here. This is the global market situation. As you can see, these are in time order. New Zealand opened up first, up 0.87. Australia next, up 0.27. The Nikkei is up 0.94. The Hang Seng Hong Kong is down very slightly, 0.1. The DAX up 0.54. The FTSE up 0.25. And of course, we've yet to open the Dow Jones. That was last night. So, are they following us? Are we following them? Well, we shall see in a minute. We shall see. Everything's turning green. Let's see if we can follow. Did you take a class to learn how to trade? No, I didn't. I just learned live in front of you on the show every day from experience, making mistakes with you here. My ledger. It's just constant study, constant reading, constant listening. All of you here teach me things all the time. We're learning things all the time. There's our crypto challenge. Only I've got 600 invested there in USD. So you can see only 400 of our money, less than half of our $1,000 is actually in, and we've made $261. So we're very, very happy with that. Very good result. That's all down to Sensei Crypto, of course. And our heat map today. Let's have a little look. There, remember, it's 15 minutes behind, but it gives you an indication of, generally speaking, I'd think you agree, it's pretty green today. That's where we are today. Don't see any reason to have a closer look at it yet. Nothing standing out that much. Try again. What's wrong with my face? Has my face changed this morning? There we go. Wasn't recognising my face. James. Good morning, James. The best person to actually learn from when it comes to trading, day trading, scalp trading, is Ed Nevius. We had an amazing competition. Were you in the competition, Cherry? We gave away $125, I think, in cash, and 15 hours of one-on-one training. Mike won it, and Eric B had runner-up, and Eric B is on the course right now. And it's free. We don't charge for training. We give it for free. We also give you the money to invest as well. We're just too nice. Who does that? I mean, who does that? Other YouTubers will go, sign up for my training course and you can pay me to learn. We give it you for free and we give you the money to invest. I mean, seriously. I mean, that alone makes us the best YouTube channel in the world right there, right? Anyway, Cherry, I think taking a class is a great idea, but there is so much you can learn from YouTube for free. The more you know, the better. Absolutely right. We learn from each other. That's what this channel's all about, right? Okay. The overall portfolio is coming up. We are red in the studio at the moment. Here he is. Here's the man we're talking about. Cherry, every day is a learning experience. Take your time, in my opinion. Then it gets easier. Absolutely right. Take your time every day. Every day. All right. The S&P is now up today 0.1. Cherry. One of the things that we're going to do, Ed's been talking about this for a while, is Ed wants to provide information, and he's teamed up now with Sensei Crypto, and I have yet to have a meeting with these guys. We're going to have a meeting when we can. We're going to have a meeting in my broom cupboard, me, Sensei, and Ed, and we want to do more on the show. I want Ed to have a series of videos where we make videos together, and we have the Ed Nivius scalp trading playlist. I know your Discord channel isn't working. I'm still working on it. I haven't forgotten you, by the way. But I'd like to do that with you. I'd like to have you on the live call, Sensei, and make a whole series of videos. So you want to help people, we can help more than just the one-on-one training. We can have a whole series of videos featuring you guys about day trading, scalp trading, and I'm sure Cherry would love that. So Cherry doesn't need to pay anybody to learn anything. We are going to, I think we're going to anyway, make a series of videos about all the different elements of trading and have a series of videos. Cherry, would you like that? Would you watch that playlist? Would you find that interesting? Anyway. So Ed, what do you think about that? You and Sensei, a series of videos of the ins and the outs of it all. Basically what you're teaching Eric B in a series of videos. What do you think about that? Anyway, Mullen, C3 AI, Tesla, Lucid, Apple. Yes, I love it, she said. Well, Ed, Sensei, what do you think? You up for that? Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola. Sounds great to me. There you go. There we go. We've got Ed Nevis on the case. Ed, we'll have a conversation. I believe you are now teaming up with Sensei Crypto. So we've got a lot more to invest with each other, a lot more integration. We're going to be doing lots of great things together, I'm sure. Anyway, let's look at Coca-Cola, J&J, Google, Microsoft. Let me go over to my news feeds, see what I've got this morning. Let's have a quick look here. Let's see what I can bring in.
Weakest links, and your weakest links always go first. Your weakest small companies, private companies, tend to lead what you think are larger, well-established, well-capitalized companies in the future. And that lag time can be 12, 18 months sometimes, but it always goes with your weakest links first. And that's exactly what we're seeing this cycle. And it's not much of a surprise given where lending standards are. They're the tightest they've been outside of the global financial crisis and COVID. And so, I think this is all playing out, pretty much by the traditional playbook.
And rates could well be going higher as well at the Fed. That debate hasn't been settled. Mike, Kathy, sticking with us, your equity market. We're about 20 minutes out from the open and bell. Equities unchanged on the S&P 500 with some movers. Here's Abby.
Well, after yesterday's nearly 6% decline for NVIDIA, the worst day since late January, NVIDIA, the AI and chip maker company, it is continuing its march higher, John, up 1.2%, in part as the CEO plans to meet with China executives despite uncertainty with the U.S. C3 AI, not so much, however, down almost 20%. This as reality meets anticipation. Their forecast underwhelmed. That, of course, though, comes after a 50% rally. And then Lucid Group down about 13%. They've announced a stock offering and private placements totaling about $3 billion. Investors seem a little bit nervous by that prospect,
Fix a
John.
screen.
Abby, thank you. Coming up, a big win for Speaker McCarthy.
Tonight, we all made history because this is the...
Let me change that a minute. I'm trying to get this window here. Just bear with me a second. Credits. Share screen. There we go. Finally got it. Just bear with me. There we go. That's what I wanted. Bring that back in. And I'm just trying to bring another screen back in. Just lost one of my screens. I'm just trying to bring it back in again. Just bear with me a second. Where are you? we've got time for me to fix this. So just bear with me as I try to fix. I've just taken off a screen. I'm just trying to bring it back in again. There we go. That should be locked. That's not locked. Why is that not locked? There we go. Let's lock that down. Trading. There you go. That's better. Let's bring that audio in as well. Of course, we got the debt ceiling done. It's not signed yet.
This, I would still say, is like a coiled spring coming out of COVID particularly. So I feel like we just have more to do.
We'll bring that information again back into it in a minute. But yeah, we've got the agreement in principle. It's not signed, of course. That won't happen until the 5th of June or thereabouts. Just in time, as always. But anyway, let me read some of these comments that have just come in. I'd pay for it. Well, you don't need to pay for it. We're going to give it for free. It's what we do. Sounds great to me. Remember when VORB was 4? I'm in for that, says Zach. Zach wants it as well. You could do a short form podcast and release on YouTube channel. Short form. We have shorts. We have thousands of shorts. And we also have a podcast on YouTube as well, James. We do. Yes, me and Ed have discussed something like that. Might be coming to Sensei Crypto website. Can do some videos for YouTube as well. Jump in, love shows, and give our views and how we trade. Exactly. What you should do, Sensei, is you should have, we should make the videos and we should put them on my channel and then embed them into your website. And what that will do is that will drive all the traffic from my YouTube channel into your website. That's my suggestion. That's what I think that would be the best way of doing it. Make the videos, polish them all up, produce them and everything, create a playlist, and then put that playlist into your, embed that playlist into your website. So it's essentially, it's like live stream a cafe, like this here. Let me show you. This is my own website. I've got my own platform, for those of you who don't know. This is me streaming right now on my own platform. So this is my website, livestreamercafe.com. So this could be senseicrypto.com, all right? And this video, this live video, or this playlist can be embedded into your website. So whenever I go live, I'm on your website, so it drives traffic through your website. People can watch me through your website, Sensei. I mean, brilliant, brilliant for you, right? And we can also put the videos embedded into your website. So as I grow, you grow, your channel grows with me. All right. Bring back Trump and the economy will soar, says Rob Brennan. We caught a 70% scalp this morning in Sensei's team on UCAR Live. Fantastic. Good morning, family. Been holding UCAR. Congratulations on the team. 17% is huge. To the team. Brilliant. Thanks, Eric. Get him, Queen. Very nice. It's my birthday. Unfortunately, revising my exams on the 5th of June. Unfortunately, revising. Rob Brennan, you know what I'm going to tell you. If you become a member today, you'll get back your history, because I don't think you've been gone more than a month, have you? And we'll celebrate your birthday. It's a member's perk. Here's the invitation to join. Come back as a member, and let's do a birthday. And then we'll do we'll do it. And we'll do a happy birthday for you on the show today live. So come on then, Rob, come back as a member, and let's do your birthday today. That would be great. Okay, the overall portfolio. S&P, Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Queen, Mullen, C3 AI, Holding, Tesla, got my Virgin Galactic doing all right, holding where I need it to hold. The overall portfolio is okay. Mullen, AI, going up. Was I right to buy it? I'm running a poll this morning. This was the poll. Here is the vote. Here is the link. Go and vote on it. Hopefully Rob will become a member in a minute and we'll do a happy birthday. There is the poll to vote. Let me give it to everybody on Rumble. There is the the poll to vote. Let me give it to our guests this morning who are watching me on Facebook. Excellent stuff indeed. C3.ai. Holding. I'm down 1% at the moment. My overall portfolio is looking okay. The vote right now is, this is how you're voting on it at the moment. You have said 66% of you out of 6 votes have said, so what's that, 4 to 2, right? I've said yes, right to buy it. We shall see how that pans out throughout the day. Martyn, it's a part of a course I'm creating for my members. It won't work if all the content is free, but yes, can come and do some videos on YouTube as well. Okay. I see. Fair enough. I mean, do it any way you want. I think you'll get a lot more views though if you put it through my YouTube channel onto your website. It's up to you, of course, you know. But what you could do is the teaser, the commercial for each video. I could make you a commercial to advertise each element of the journey. Make that video, embed that, and then it drives to your other one. Anyway, it's up to you. I'm just trying to help you grow your website. Me and Ed try spread as much education as we can, so I'm sure we'll have lots of free content too. The free content, in my opinion, is the way forward. You can monetize free content. I never concern myself. It's why I've never sold, why I never charge for anything. It's like Google is free. I think like Google. I think if you provide the content, you can monetize the content, but I always provide it free. That's just the way I do things. I think you can grow a lot faster by doing that. Because right now, when you're small, different ball game when you got 10 million subscribers. All right, then you can monetize everything if you want to. But right at this stage, for me, it's all about investing and building the audience and not being concerned with what I can make today, not being concerned at all. Otherwise, I wouldn't have gone live 2 years ago, right? I think that the most important thing now is to build and own the niche, own the search terms, own the rank for all the things, build the family, and then if you wanted to have an element of it monetize. But you can always monetize free content. You can advertise on your website free content. So that's the business model of YouTube and Google, and that's how I'm modeling myself. Anyway, that's just my my thoughts to you. We're having a sort of a private business conversation here live on air. How about that? Right, we've got 7 minutes to go. The S&P's coming up. My overall portfolio's up. Rivian, Tesla, Virgin Galactic's barcoding again. That's algo trading right there. And we're coming up to the 6 minutes to go. Tesla, Lucid, Apple, Amazon, McDonald's. McDonald's now I'm up 2.89, really nice. Coca-Cola. Dividends around the corner. J&J, Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Next Era Energy, Enphase. I've got a long-term position still down on it though. Bitcoin, 26.9. And you might notice it's 25 days to our birthday, our 2nd anniversary on the show. And we're inviting you to send in clips of what the channel means to you, memories that you have on the channel. It can be videos, it can be just audio. Send it into Discord, and then we'll play it on the show on the day. Okay, so there's that for you if you want to be part of that. Okay. 809 now on Facebook. We're trying to get to 1,000. Not that far away, really. It's growing very quick. So I thank you all for that. Now then, we've got 5 minutes to go, so I've just got chance. I said to you, if you comment to me on Twitter, I always follow, I always comment and like back to you to help you grow your channels. AI has price action right now. Scalp it. That's what Eric says. May do. Thank you. What else? What other comments have we got? There we go. There's a reply back to Eric B. What else? Eric, brilliant. Eric retweeted everything. Look at that. Absolutely brilliant. Okay. Air 2023, good option yet, but it's overbought territory at the moment. Not to say it won't keep going. Thank you, Air. Thank you for your thoughts. Okay. So if you want to grow on Twitter, this is how to do it. I will respond to everybody who comments to me. So, wow, I always say the first 10, but I'm still doing everybody at the moment, but that's not always going to be the case. I believe so. That's Malk UK. Okay, thank you, Malk. We got any more? Palantir applying. I'll take a look. Crypto Luca. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Thank you. Excellent. Thank you very much indeed. What else have we got? Have I covered all? Have I replied to everybody? I think I have. There we go. I think I've replied to everybody. Excellent. And there is the poll right now. We'll keep that up there so I can keep an eye on it. Okay. June 27th. June 27th. Yes, that is our birthday. So send videos in via Discord or audio, whatever you like. Good luck to everyone. Get them, says Ed. Martin, when will the launch happen in late June? Do you have any info? Not at the moment, just late June. That's all I have. That's all anybody has. Hello, good morning, Eduardo. Put your city and country in the chat and I'll talk to you in your language. Right, back to Mullen. AI. AI. Lucid. Space. VU. Overall portfolio. Right, here we go. Today's bell is sponsored by Sensei Crypto. Hello, good morning. Welcome to all of you. Dollar General down 11%. Yeah, I made some money on that one already. Okay, we're just 1 minute 45 away. We're getting ready. Today's bell is sponsored by Sensei Crypto. Welcome to all of you. We've got 7 votes now, 71% of you. 4 retweets as well. There we go. Now people are really starting to retweet. It's great. I will give you a prize for doing that. I'll give you free tickets to our draw for doing that. Anyone who does that, make sure you claim your tickets when I put it up on the competition page later today. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're off. Here we go. And our show today is sponsored by Sensei. We'll be ringing up the bell in a minute. IonQ is staying strong at 10. S&P, Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Mullen, AI. I just bought a big position, 4%. 71% of you said I was right to do so. I bought it when it dropped. It dropped like 30%. Got overpumped. We all know that. Let's keep our eye on it. Okay, just a few seconds to go. Boom, chicky, 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 pam, pam. Boom, chicky, 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 boom, boom. Oh, yes, indeed, indeed, indeed. Okay, let's get ready to ring the bell this morning. The bell is sponsored by Sensei Crypto. Thank you very much, Sensei, for being here and sponsoring our channel as always. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. All right. The bell is now gone, and let's see where we are up to right now. Let's get straight into our trades. Here we go. All right, C3.ai. It popped up very quickly, but that's just, that's chart recalculation. It does that sometimes. But anyway, let's have a look at it just for a moment as we go through all our positions. Our overall position, we are still red at the moment. The S&P is green, just going down. Virgin Galactic is right on the button at the moment. Virgin Orbit, we're just watching it to see what happens. Rivian down, but coming back up again. Mullen going down. Down. Mullen has no value whatsoever now. I've lost all my money on it. C3.ai, I'm down $7 at the moment. I bought it last night when it dropped 30%. Tesla is going up through 203 right now. Here we go. Let's look at it. Lucid is down today. Apple is up, but just falling back. Amazon, phenomenal investment, this one for me. I'm up 21% on it, doing very, very well. I love it. The overall portfolio is still red. The Roth IRA is red. We are $1,200 away from an all-time high. What's bringing me down? It's not my Amazon. That's certainly not doing it. McDonald's is dropping off. Coca-Cola going down. J&J is going down. Google is up today. Microsoft is going down 1%. Walmart. The overall portfolio is just starting to stabilize. Tesco is up 0.24. J&G going down a lot. We're back to J&J. Yes, down 0.75. 7% discount now on J&J. Oh my gosh! If you could load up now, keep shoveling the coal onto the fire. You're getting one of the best, most reliable dividend companies, dividend kings in the world, cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. This is really good. What's happening is people are taking their money out of the staples to buy high risk. It's a sign that the bull market is about to begin. That's what that is. Bitcoin is up 0.32. Tilray is trying to come up. Okay. We'll keep our eye on it. Robinhood, I'm up 3% on my main account, and I'm up 1.47 in my Roth IRA. Okay. I bought one share. Congratulations, SoFi. I said to you I wouldn't touch it because of the CEO talks rubbish. IonQ going down 3% today. Rio Tinto, commodities up 2%. Meta up 1.4. Big investor in AI, of course. All right. Okay. So the overall portfolio is going down. It's retracing, though, into itself, recoiling back up. Virgin Galactic's barcoding holding up 344. I'm down 10% on my main position, and I'm down 25% on my Roth position. Not good, but I'm holding it. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Mullen, AI. Oops, collapsing a bit now. Come on. We'll buy another if it dips below 153. I think you should. Anyway, Tesla doing very, very well today. Up 0.43. 204 now. Very good. Space towards 308 says no. If that happens, it's going to 150. If it goes to 308, it's 150. Anyway, that's my opinion. That's only my view. You do what you like. This is my overall position, just dropping off at the minute. The Roth IRA is all doing about the same. So you can see I'm about $1,300 off my all-time high. Okay, typical when I re-enter a new position. This happens, but that's the way it goes. Tesla doing very nicely. Yeah, it's a good position for me. I'm not selling it. Not anymore. I've already trimmed and taken some money out of it. I'm not doing it anymore. If anything, I'd like to own some more, but it is 23% of my Roth, so you know it doesn't need any more It's a good balance. It's overbalanced, if anything at all. But I see it as having a good future. So I'm going to hold it. And if it does drop, then I will buy some more. But I'm not going to keep adding at this price. Lucid, AI. It's very early in the day. The first 15 minutes is very volatile. We get a bit of a rebalance. Our poll is interesting. We've got 7 votes now. If you've not yet voted on the poll, here is the link. There you go. Twitter poll. If you want to run vote on this poll, was I right to buy AI? Let me have a look at Rumble this morning. Good audience on Rumble. I've given you the link in the chat. So for you guys, go and take part in the poll over there on Facebook as well. Thank you to all of you who are joining in, watching there on Facebook. And I've given you the poll link as well. Excellent stuff. And everybody on TikTok as well. Pump the channel, bro, AI, pump or dump. We don't pump or dump anything. We invest here. We don't promote stocks. If it's promoting it by me talking about it, fine. But it's because I'm investing in it in my own money, not pumping or dumping anything. I've never done that and never will do that. People always use that language, and I never ever do it. So it's not what this channel is about. UCAR waiting for the panic dip. Buy waiting. Here we go. Says Ed. How have you come up with the 326 resistance on space and can't see it using anything? I can't see it using anything. Fib 382. Well, I have my reasons. That's all I'm prepared to say. AI going below $16. Oh, I hope not. I hope not. That'll be down 50% if that happens. Anyway, why do you say that? Why do you say that? Oh, yes, we are down now, 0.66. C3 AI. Tesla. Getting everything sell off right now. What's going to happen? This is my prediction for the day. Do you want me to make a prediction? I know some of you enjoy when I do this, so let me do a prediction today. This is what I think is going to happen right now. It's time to make a prediction on my channel today. With the fact that we've got the debt ceiling in principle done and dusted, of course it's not signed until I think it's the 5th of June. We're going to get a bit of horse trading today. We're going to get a bit of uncertainty. We had the AI earnings last night. We've got a bit of worry with what the Fed are going to do. Are they going to raise rates? Are they going to hold them? It's the first time that we've really got a split camp. It's always been quite sort of 80% sure what we knew what they were going to do. This time, however, there are some people saying we're going to raise rates and some people saying we're going to leave it where it is. But if we leave it where it is, of course, for 6 months, that's the same as raising it for a couple and bringing it back down again. So what are the Fed going to do? What's the message they want to send? So all that taken into account, Virgin Galactic and everything else, the flights around the corner. This month, we're going to get the US Air Force as long as the data is okay. This is my prediction. Over the next 15, 20 minutes, we're going to see a lot of volatility on the markets. Might go down maybe 1.5%, maybe even 2% on my portfolio. But I think within the next hour, I'll be back up again. And I am going to put my neck on the line and say in an hour from now that I will be back on a wash. So right now, I'm thinking I could go down 1.5% to 2%. But within an hour from now, I think I'll be on a wash. That's my prediction. Let's see if I'm right. I was right once. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so we're down 0.64. I have said within an hour, I'll be at a wash. I think all the horse trading will end and some investments will start coming in because people will want to get back in this market. That's only my humble opinion. Let's see if I'm right. Lucid, Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola. I'm not going to make any adjustments though. I'm not going to sell or move anything around. I'm happy with my portfolio where it is. Walmart, Tesco, NE, Enphase. Nothing cheap enough to buy, nothing high enough to sell. Tilray, Robinhood, SoFi, IonQ, 10. Let's have a look back over the month of IonQ. So it's still much of a trend line straight through the center of there. There isn't really any reason to buy back. I still think it's overbought. Rio, Meta, doing very, very well. Look how Meta's returned. Look at that. 36% this year. Look at that. Amazing. It sold off for $90. It's now $269. What a return. What a return. My God. I had a really big position in that, but that's when I was using a lot of margin. So I'm not in it right now. But of course I do own it because I own it through AI. If AI does well, C3, Google, Microsoft, these are all beneficiaries of the pump for Meta. Also, it's a big part of the S&P, so I own a big part of that. So, I own Meta, I own it anyway. One way or another, I own it. Whether you like it or not, you own it. Right. Thank you very much for my coffee, Leah. Lovely cup of coffee. So I've made my prediction. Let's see if I'm right. The poll is going, we've got 8 votes now. 62% said I was right. 37%, that's a worry. I want it to be 90%, and it's not. So there you go. Some of you don't like it. Rich, nothing dropped enough yet today to day trade. SoFi is doing well in the student debt news. Yes, I've heard about that. Thanks, Leah, says Mike. What happened to Rob Brennan? I thought we were going to do a birthday. Where did Rob Brennan go? Is he not here? Yeah, he's still here. Are we doing your birthday or what? Are we doing your birthday? What is going on? We got a birthday here, but I can only do it for members. It's a members only perk. He used to be a member. I want to make sure he comes back so we can do his birthday. Anyway, we've got some love here from Taiwan. Hey, welcome, welcome, welcome. Right, who reckons I'm going to be right? Am I going to be back? I said at a wash within an hour. I said it's selling off right now, but within an hour, I'll be back at where I started. Let's see if I'm right. Virgin Galactic, bouncing around. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Mullen, C3 AI. I bought it with a 30% drop last night. A 30% drop. And I decided that was okay. It might go lower, of course. Anything can happen. It had a heck of a run up to it, to the earnings. I always said it was going to drop off. It did. However, I bought in with this drop. It's gone a bit lower. I'm not going to buy any more until it goes significantly lower. Then I will be able to trim off quicker and reduce the average and bring it down. Remember, there's no point reducing averages if you don't trim off the top. If you just keep trimming the average, reducing the average, and you've got more and more stock, it becomes extremely overweighted. Your portfolio becomes at huge risk and unbalanced. So if you keep buying the dips and bringing down the average, make sure that your allocation is rebalanced when it starts going up. Trim off the top. Remember the first in, first out rule. So you're left with the cheaper stocks. So then you've got a much better position. You've got profit now on a stock. You've got the shares that you own are all lower, because if you've managed to pop it up to the original price of what you first bought in, remember first in, first out, and you've sold those, the shares that you hold are the lower ones. So not only have you made a profit and not only have you lowered your average, but the shares that you are left with are the lower value ones. So you're more likely to have stability and security in the future and be up in the future. But you've got to trim. There's absolutely no sense Just keep buying more and more, unless you're doing it for dividends and an income, or you just think, I want more and more of this, and I'm going, more balls to the walls. But I've never believed in that policy at all. Anyway, Mullen, there's nothing left in it now. I mean, it's just 68 cents. Is it going to survive? I've got no idea. I can't see how it can. I'm throwing money away here, but there's nothing we can do about it. I'm not going to sell it now. I'm going to hold my position. Tilray down again. Yeah, Tilray, Mullen, all these businesses could be out of business within the next 6 months. That was a good call on Meta when it was below 100, Mark. I wish I'd bought some. Yeah, I bought it for 200. I bought it, didn't I? Under 100, and then I think I sold it. I sold it for something like 150, 160. I made a good profit, nowhere near where it is today, but I did it to clear my margin. Like many people have said, if I'd stayed in margin, I would be a lot more up today than I am today. No question about it. However, I would have paid out several $1,000s in interest payments over the last 6 months. So that would have been taken out of it. Also, then it's like, when do you sell? Because you're up so much and you're paying interest. You think you keep on going. And it's very dangerous. And I don't regret getting rid of my margin at all. Yes, I could have been up a lot more. But the stress, the fear, the worry, the interest payments, the risk, I didn't need it. And I'm glad that I was able to clear it off. So I made a profit. You never lose money making profits, right? Anyway, I'm down at the moment, 0.56. I've said within an hour I'll be at a wash. Let's see. Virgin Galactic's doing all right. It's green right now. Studio is still red, though. I'm not turning it green yet. Still red. Rivian still falling. Mullen still going to... I mean, that could go down to nothing now. C3 AI. Let's check the volume today. Let's have a quick look at the volume. The average volume on this stock is 45 million, and today it's 13 million so far. So that's nearly half of its average this morning. So that's good, but that's no surprise after the earnings, of course. Anyway, let's see which way it's going to go. It's in the middle of the RSI at the moment. No real selling or buying pressure of anything to note. Not a great deal going on when it comes to the orders. Nothing amazing at the moment. We're just hovering. Let's see. I'll hold the position. I'm not going to sell it just yet. Tesla going back down again. A nice little rally this morning. Tilray indeed. Yikes. Yeah. I'm not going to keep buying it. I mean, it's ridiculous. You're just buying a company that's going to go bankrupt. I mean, what's the point? The fact that the CEO, Simon, sold when they were down, sorry, not sold, diluted the stock, tells you everything. Anyway, let's update our poll. Our poll is, we've got 9 votes right now on the poll and 4 retweets, 4 comments. I'll reply to all the comments here. Here it is, if you want to vote on this. The first 10 people, I guarantee I will reply to you. Hopefully it will grow your Twitter accounts. At the moment, I still reply to everyone's comments. I was discussing this with Leah last night. She said, you spend a lot of time replying to comments on YouTube. I actually reply still to everyone's comments. The idea is members only will get their comments answered. But at the moment, I'm able to do it for everyone. But soon, and it could happen any day, I just go, that's it. I now only reply to members because I spend about an hour and a half replying to comments every day. And, you know, it's getting more. And the more I reply, the more comments I get. So it's kind of like, you know, it's just growing and growing all the time. Let me have a look if Sensei Crypto replied to these comments on my XRP video. Let's have a look. Did he do it? Did he do it? Let me have a look. Where is it? 33,500. I said it would get to 100,000. No, he hasn't done it yet. What's going on, Sensei? No, look at this. No Sensei Crypto here. I would have replied to it. 100,000 views this would be, and your link will be all the way through this. It'll take me about half an hour to go through all the comments and reply to all of them, but I will. I will if you do it. Anyway, he hasn't done it yet. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. Virgin Galactic still holding. Virgin Orbit, Rivian. Let me go over to, let me bring this into the show. What do they have to say?
That manufacturing is still contracting. But what does that tell us about the economy? ADP earlier today, 278,000 jobs, and they said manufacturing lost 48,000 jobs. Now, last month, ADP said we lost 30,000 jobs, and the non-farm payrolls came in with 11,000 additional manufacturing workers. So it's really hard to get a read on where we are with all this. Now, we do get the ISM at the top of the hour, John, and everybody's going to be looking at that, both for two things. We want to see what the employment number is. Last month, it was 50.2, but everybody's going to want to see what prices paid are. If Neil Dunn is right, then prices paid should go down. They are at 52.3. Is the forecast. After 53.2, they went up a little bit last month. If that comes back down again, then that helps make Neil's case.
Mike, how do you read this? Does manufacturing pull services down, or does services pull manufacturing up? How do you think about that?
Well, services, in a sense, should pull manufacturing up if they stay strong and there's a lot of hiring, because those people have money and they will be buying things. We've had this imbalance between goods and services for quite some time because people could only basically buy goods during the pandemic. At some point, that has to even out a little bit. We had a big drop in goods purchases, and we saw inventories go away, and manufacturing has been in a slump. But that may have to start to come back up again as people continue to spend and use up all the services that they had a backlog of demand for.
Mike, we've seen this movie before, haven't we? Do you remember the end of 2015? All that China weakness, the worries about recession there, and we had the PMIs drop sub 50. There was talk of a manufacturing recession bleeding into the broader economy. I feel like we did that for years, Mike, and escaped it. Is this any different?
Well, it's hard to say that it is different because, of course, you're not supposed to say that. But the problem is we don't know from the pandemic situation. It has distorted so much in the economy. It doesn't seem like there is a nationwide weakness in manufacturing in the same sense that there was in 2015. It does seem that there has been a shift away from buying stuff, and companies have produced less, but they haven't hired fewer people.
So exactly the way I said it would go. We're having this uncertainty now this morning, so everything is selling off, and it's selling off for the reason that people are going to buy back in a minute and make profit from this. This is my interpretation of it. All right, and if we look at Tesla, for example, it's gone down 1.65, down 1.65 right now. Was AI? I am down just 4%, 4.37. Now, I know it says it's down 20%. Let me share on the screen with you what I mean. But I bought that dip, okay? So I'm not down 20%. I'm down 4%, okay? Considering that it's the day after the earnings, and there's every reason to sell off AI because it popped all the way up. If it was weak, and if it was going down, like someone said, it's going down to 50% down, it's going to go down to $15 or whatever it was. That should be happening now because the market is selling off, and I'm only down 3.9%. Well, Tesla is down now at 1.7. So actually, you look at Lucid down 14%. I mean, this is down this morning. What you're seeing with AI was last night after hours. All right, this has already happened. This happened last night. This is where you need to understand the charts. You look at that and go, oh, it's down 20% this morning. It's down 20% in the after hours last night. This has continued over. So actually, I feel quite good about that. So I stand by my prediction of that in an hour I will be at a wash. I don't think I'll be green, but I think I'll be at a wash. And I think C3 AI is going to come up a bit. Otherwise, it would have sold off by now. It should be going down, but it's not. It's holding from where it was last night. So when you look at that and you go, it's down 20% today, it's down. That was the after hours. That's where it was in the after hours. That already happened, and I already bought that. So I'm only down 4% on it. So for a stock that should be selling off this morning, because it's after the earnings, after a 30% pump, it should be going down now if it was going to sell. Because look, everything that's got a bit of risk to it is going down. Look, Tesla's down 166. 14% on Lucid, and these aren't after hours, these are this morning. Apple's trying to go down, Amazon's going down a bit, McDonald's is going down, Coca-Cola popped up and heading back down again now, J&J's going down. So we're seeing a lot of downward movement, and yet for something really high risk like AI, considering what happened to Nvidia, sold off after the earnings, this is holding up. This is holding up. I think I can live with a 4% down at the moment, because if this holds up, I think in an hour, like I predicted, I could be back up at a wash. And if that starts to move, there's a 10 or 15% swing potentially on the cards available to me, which would be pretty good on the first day of owning it. So anyway, I'm holding it. I made my prediction. I'm standing by it. This is the vote we're running right now on Twitter. Was I right to buy AI? 66% said yes, and 33% said no. If you reply and comment, I will reply and comment to you. If we got any more comments to reply to, any more people to tag or whatever, let's have a look. David liked my tweet. Thank you so much indeed, David, one of my new followers. Thank you to you. All right, so we'll come back to that poll in a minute and see how it's changed throughout the morning. And let's see if I'm right. Let's see if I can get back to a wash today. And C3I could bring me there. Okay. Okay, there we go. The S&P. Virgin Galactic still holding up, 344. Don't want to see it go much lower. 326 is my magic number. That's what I believe. I have my reasons. Rivian, Mullen, Tesla, coming back up now. Lucid, Apple, McDonald's, Coca-Cola. Remember, we got, is it 7 days to go now? I believe it is. Ex-dividend date for Coke, J&J, Google, getting a slight reversal now. Excellent. NEE still going down 4% now, 4.8. Enphase, Bitcoin up 0.36. Tilray went down, tried to come up, but going back down again. Robinhood went over $9 yesterday. Eric B. I bought 10 shares of AI this morning. I also think it will go up. Hey, nice. I like that. Because you're studying the charts, right? You're looking at it in a different way, and you like it too. So I like that. It made me feel good, because I now know you know all about the charts. If you're saying it goes up, that thrills me with confidence. Thrills me with confidence. Eric B. Love it. Excellent. All right. Good. Okay. Let's see if I'm right. The charts are speaking to Eric and Ed. I'm not really focused on that. I'm looking at more of the news, people's reactions, polls, comments, stuff like that, and just basic belief of where I see the markets going and what I think is important to investing. And also listening to the earnings, what the CEO says, their attitude, their ideas, and all the rest of it, the cash balances. That's what I'm looking at. So let's have a look now at my overall position and see if it's starting to move. Here's my prediction. Starting to pay off, starting to come right. There we go. I said for the next 15 minutes, half an hour, we'd get horse trading. And within an hour, I should be back at a wash. Let's see if we are. Well, starting to. Okay, 11 votes now on the poll. Excellent stuff. 5 retweets. Thank you very much for that. And I'm going to give you points for that in a minute. I can even do it. No, I can't do it on this show. That's a bit too much. But actually, I wonder if I can. I can actually. I can actually give you points for that now. For those of you that have just taken the trouble to 35 entries now, 35 people have entered our competition. So for those of you that have actually gone to the trouble of doing that, I'm now going to give you some points for doing it. Right? That's the least I could do, right? It's the least I could do. So I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to try and do it live in the show. So here we go. I'm good like that, right? Okay, here we go. I'm going to create an opportunity for you to get some points. While we're watching AI do what I predicted it to do, let's hope I'm right. I'm going to give you all the points I said I would. I'm nice like that, right? I promised I would. So those of you that got involved, you're about to get another chance to win $100 on Friday, which is next Friday, this Friday coming. Not this Friday, not tomorrow, next Friday. Okay, so here we go. And I'm going to give you 25 points. Sensei says, don't give any more than that. Right, so I'm going to give you 25 points. I've got to be careful because Sensei will tell me off if I give away too many points. He goes, whose competition is this? Right, don't give away too many points. All right, Sensei, I won't. I promise I won't. Right. So here we go. So I'm now giving you. I think that's done. Give it 10 seconds. Okay. Okay. So then, let me go to the competition page and 474. Bloody hell, that was quick. Someone's already done it. There we go. 25 points. There you go. I've just added it to the competition. So for those of you that have just retweeted it, you can go here and claim yourself 25 tickets for our giveaway. Okay, there you go. I've just added a retweet here for you. And all you do is click on that and you can see it. You have to retweet it. Retweet. If you haven't already retweeted it, you click there, it won't count. You have to retweet it. If you've already retweeted it, that's how you can do it. But anyway, all right. So I said I would give you some extra points for doing that. And let's see, 477. That should go up in a minute by at least 100 points because some of you are going to go and claim your free tickets. You took the trouble to retweet it. The least I could do is give you some more tickets. So if you want the link to the giveaway, go and claim your tickets. There it is. There you go, folks. I'll give it to everybody on Rumble as well. There you go, guys. I'm giving everybody on Rumble the opportunity to win $100 as well. Just because you retweeted it, go and claim the tickets. All right? You need to go and claim the tickets. I'll give it to everybody on Facebook as well, my audience on Facebook as well. Here are your free tickets. There you go. Tickets. All right. Keep Martyn in line, Ali. Yeah, I know. I was going to give away 1 million tickets for retweeting my post. And he'll go, don't do that, because I'm only giving 50 tickets away to like my website, and it's my flipping fundraiser. It's my giveaway. I said to him, why can't I give 1 million? Why can't I give 100 million tickets to people that like my YouTube channel? Well, you can't, because I'm only giving 50 to you get the idea, right? Anyway, Ali's always telling me off. He does it all the time. I take no notice. I do what I want. I do it's my channel, innit? I listen and I go, yeah, right. I'm still going to give 1 million tickets away. Right, let's have a look. Let's see if anyone's done it already. 8477. 8577. That means 4 of you have claimed your free tickets. And for those of you that have not claimed your free tickets, you don't know why I'm saying that. You need to go and vote on it and retweet it. See, there's 2 people who've retweeted it who've not earned any points. You're missing out on the points. Told you. $100 giveaway. It's up to you. I'm just saying, if you don't want to win $100. By the way, remember what I said. If you don't want the prize, we are having an opportunity to give it to charity as well. Now then, I made a prediction half an hour ago. I said, over the next 15 minutes to half an hour, we will see the market sell off. I did my old crystal ball. You all watched me do it. Well, that happened, didn't it? I said the market would go down. That happened. I then said I would be at a wash within an hour. Well, it's about 15, 20 minutes away from that. It's good, isn't it? How does this guy know this? How does he know this stuff? How does he know? Talks to people at Virgin Galactic. He's got this magic number of 326. I want to know. How did he know it was going to go down that much for that amount of time and then pop right back up again? How did he know? What's going on? How does this guy know all this stuff? Anyway, just saying. What did I say? Oh. Anyway. Fantastic. I love it. Thank you, Zach. 350. What a jump there. We've had 12 votes now. Only 6 retweets though. So some of you are missing out on the opportunity to get $100 in cash or give more away to charity. Cannot believe it. What is wrong with you people? What is wrong? I tell you what, you are getting better at it. I mean, most people are lazy. They are, but you're getting better at it. There is the link. Get busy. All right. You are getting better at it. We're getting 12 votes, half of you, 50%. We normally have like 90% don't retweet it. So you're getting better at it. I'll give you that. You're getting more involved. So it's good. Anyway, let's keep watching. Are we going to have some data from space? James W. Are we going to have some data? Well, when there is any evidence of data whatsoever, I will share it. I am on it. It's my full-time job. Virgin Galactic. I'm going to make a video. I'm going to make a video and I'm going to do something I've never done, right? Let's see if this works. Right? This would be silly, right? 138. 138. Okay, I'm going to do it. Everyone's going to laugh at me. People are going to go, he's an idiot. I don't care. All right? 138. Right. 138. Just saying. Right, phone. Right, okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. This morning, I made a very precise prediction, and I'm going to repeat it for you now. This is what I said this morning. As we open the bell, my stocks are going to go down by about 1 to 2%. It's going to remain for about 15, 20 minutes to half an hour. And then after that, I'm going to be back at a wash. So there is the chart, and I just thought I would share this for Virgin Galactic doubters. I'm not even going to say anything. It's going to be my first silent video, except it isn't silent because I'm still talking. There you go. People keep asking me why I believe 326 is such an important number, why it was such an important number. I've had lots of people contact me over the last 24 hours on my YouTube channel saying, why did you say and why did you predict that the market would go down, go down 1 to 2% this morning for about 15, 20 minutes and then bounce back up again, which it did? Why are you saying 326? People are saying I can't see it on the Fibonacci chart and everything else and all the rest of it. All I can tell you is what I'm about to tell you now. And I'm making this as clear as I possibly can. I have my reasons to believe 326, held above 326, was the catalyst for this stock. It's all I'm able and prepared to say, but I have my reasons. Is this guessing? Is this just make-believe? Do I just make it up? No, this is my real shares, my real positions, my real money. Make of it as you will. It's entirely up to you, but I have my reasons to believe what I believe, and that's it. Take it or leave it. That's what I believe. We're about to get the data from Virgin Galactic. Will the data be good? I believe it will. If the data is good, what does that mean? It means we're going to get the flights in June, and we're going to get the Italian Air Force fly. And what does that mean? That means we're running a poll on our Twitter account which suggests to me that the stock price is going to $7. Make of that as what you will. Ask me any question you like, and I will reply to everyone's question. But this is my real shares, my real money, and I will tell you now, there's no guessing here whatsoever. There is a balanced portfolio. There's risk. Things can go wrong, of course. Things might not always work out, but it's not guessing. When I make a decision, I make it on the evidence presented to me, the facts that I've collected, the information that I have got leads me to making a decision. And then I balance everything across. It's all about risk management. So overall long term, I'm going to consistently win. I get it right. I get it wrong. Get it wrong plenty of times. I've been right consistently with Virgin Galactic now for somewhere in the region of about 6 months. However, at some point, statistically, I'm going to get it wrong. Of course I am. However, it's just a balance of numbers. It's just a risk management. And whenever I make a position, I'm making it on information that I've collected from studying people, from studying you, from reading the numbers, the facts, the information I get directly from Virgin Galactic and all other positions that I'm looking at, and I make a decision, but I always keep a balanced portfolio. I don't go all in on one stock and so on. So it's not guessing. So when someone, and I had about 10 people say to me, why do you keep saying 326 as if it's some magic number? It's not some magic number, but I have my reasons to believe it was the right number. And that is all I can say on it. You can do what you like with it. It's up to you what you do with it. But there it is. Anyway, the studio is still red because we are just about to hit a wash. We're coming up to the time I said in about another 5-10 minutes, but we will turn it green for Virgin Galactic. There we go. So join me every day. Ask me any question you want. I'll always give you an answer, but there it is. It's exciting. It's great when it goes right. It's also great when it goes wrong, because when it goes wrong is when we learn stuff. We're not learning anything from it going up. We're just making money, and it feels good. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. It's good when it works out, isn't it? Blimey. There we go. We're about 3 or 4 minutes out when I said it would turn green, and we did it. I said it would turn onto a wash, and there it is. Excellent. Brilliant. I'm happy with that. Let's have a look. Let me read some of these comments. What's your take on PLTR? I have no thoughts on it right now. I've not researched it. If you want me to research it for you and back test it with all my software, I will. It's a membership perk. Space Team Party. Hey, it's good, isn't it? Are we going to have some data from space? We've already answered that. I got 200 shares of Mullen. I just sold 100 shares at 167. I think, what do you think? Let me have a look. Let me have a look. You want to know what I think? Let's have a look. Cherry just said, I got 200 shares of Mullen, and I just sold 100 shares at 167. Mullen at 167? What do you mean? I just got 200 shares of Mullen, and I just sold 100 shares at 167. Do you mean 67? I'm not sure what you mean, because it's not. Do you want to rephrase that? Just posted a link in chat, in Discord, in Chit Chat. Why are you posting it in Chit Chat? We've got a channel called Links for YouTube. But Keaton S, people could have been. Oh my gosh. That's an interesting comment, video. I'll pick that up in a minute about Virgin Orbit. Thank you for that. But next time, Keaton S, post it in the right place, please. Post it in the flipping right place. Links for YouTube. Anyway, here we go. Right, we're up now. 1.39. Sorry, I sold shares of Mullen at 68. Well, I don't know where you bought it, do I? Where did you buy it? Did you make a profit? The studio is green again. Yes, it is. It should actually be red. We're just on a wash right now. But that's what I said. I said I wouldn't make any money today. I said I'd be at a wash. And we are. Exactly when I said it. All right? Anyway. How does he know this stuff, this bloke? This guy on YouTube. He's always making predictions. And they're always right. What's he do? What does he know? How does he know this stuff? Retail stocks are struggling at the moment. What do you think? I got 200 shares at Mullen. I sold 100 shares at 68. I want to know what you paid for the stocks. I am on space for the next 5 to 7 years. Tamaro, congratulations to you. UCAR dipped but paid off. Links for YouTube, I thought meant YouTube links. Confusingly worded. Links for YouTube, I thought meant YouTube links. No. Oh, okay. Is that my mistake then, is it? It's always my mistake, isn't it, Keaton S? What I'm saying is links for YouTube means you post links that I can share on YouTube. Do I need to write the whole sentence? Links provided by Keaton S that Martin can show on YouTube. Maybe I should do that. It's confusingly worded. I'm trying to shorten it down. Anyway, if you pay attention, you'd know. I'm always saying these things. I'm always saying them, but you're not listening. I'm doing my best here. Anyway, it is what it is. We're still green at the minute. I'm keeping the studio green just because we're sat on a wash. Just because. Right, Virgin Galactic. Did anyone take profit at that? I bet some did, because that's why it's just topped off. There's always someone who's taking profits, isn't there? Who are these people? That would be lovely. Thank you very much. Well, anything for you, Keaton S. You know, I'll give you your entire channel just dedicated for you to share it. I'm with Keaton. Bloody hell. Don't start signing up with Keaton. He's only been a member for 5 minutes. Flipping heck. Why am I getting all this abuse this morning? I don't need it when I come into work in the morning. When I come into work in the morning, I don't need all this. It's not what you expect. Right, okay. We're up. C3AI doing well. Shall I take a profit? Oh, hey, ooh. Shall I sell this? I'm happy to make 2.3% profit. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it, to be honest. Let me. I'm a bit excited this morning because I like when it goes well. Right, hang on. Before we make this video, I'm going to have a little go at people here because I got 65 people on YouTube, which is brilliant. For a regular show, it's not Virgin Galactic, it's just the Martyn Lucas show. It's just me, innit? There's no trending reel. We're not doing AI. We're not cheating. We're just being ourselves. 68 watching and only 38 likes. That's 30 people who haven't liked it. Right. Let's get that sorted out. Come on. This is free entertainment. Everyone's making money. I'm promoting everyone's YouTube channel. I'm trying to help Sensei on TikTok get his channel up. He can't be bothered. I don't know what's going on here. Right, there's 70 people watching now. We want 70 likes. 38. You ready? Here we go. Said a chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Said a chiggy, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please. This is rubbish. I don't do rapping. I'm 54 years of age. Hang on. With the real Satoshi, please stand up. Say please stand up. Ooh, come on, smash the like button. You don't get entertainment on Netflix like this. No one else gives you this. Nobody else would want to give you this. All right? Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. 39 likes. Is anybody still watching? Yep, they're tuning in for this. They love this. 72. 72. Oh, hang on. What's happened there? What's happened there? That shouldn't have happened. Hang on a minute. What's happened there? Let me get rid of that. Hang on. Let me change that again. Right. Chiggy, chiggy, chiggy. I better have 41. That'll do. I want to get rid of the hat. There we go. I want to get rid of the hat. I can't stay on air with a hat on. It's just not good. There's going to be people now who clip that. There's going to be people who clip that, like the Barbie doll channel. They're going to clip that now. I can see it. I can see Andrew Watkins has liked the stream. Don't like the stream. Don't like this. Don't like this. Don't like this. Like it when we all make money. Don't like it when I put a hat on sideways. I mean, come on, guys. Anyway, there you go. So, AI, Virgin Galactic, space, 353. There it is. This is good. We've got a really big audience this morning, so I just got explained why Virgin Galactic is going up. I try to give you as much information as I can. I share everything with you. There it is. Anyway, we need to make the other video now. This is exciting, isn't it? 153. Excuse me. AI. 153. Very nice, Virgin Galactic. We're just going to keep it on there just for the moment. We need to talk about AI just for a second, though. And I'm going to share these two screens, why AI is important. why I bought AI, because people have been asking me on Twitter this morning, why would you buy AI? It's overvalued, blah, blah, blah. So I've got people on YouTube trying to manipulate the stock, saying ridiculous statements about the earnings was terrible. I mean, if you read the balance sheet, if you read the numbers, what you're talking about is rubbish. But there you go. That's what people do. C3.ai. Let me bring this into play. And why I bought this. Why I bought this and why I want to get more information on this. Okay. So, here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Thank you, Mike, for liking the stream. We're making this in a live video. All my videos get made live as the news happens. Last night, I bought AI. Why did I buy AI? I said, and I predicted accurately, I said that it's trending on the Nvidia earnings. Nvidia came down afterwards. It got very excited. A lot of retail investors are getting into this stock, and I'm a retail investor. We all are here, at least most of us are, I'd imagine. We all are, let's be honest. We're all retail investors. And it's trending right now. Trending for the right or wrong reasons. Well, it went all the way up. It got overbought, and I said I'm going to buy it here, one market share, and I set a stop trail loss, and I sold it about here. I made a few bucks. No, I made a few cents actually on one share as a market share while I was studying the stock and reading the balance sheet and doing all that other stuff that I do off air. And I decided I liked it, and I said I would buy it when it dropped because it's going to drop on the earnings. No question about it. They're going to be earnings, but I'm going to buy it on the drop, which is what I did. I always say what I do and do what I say, okay? This is not a pump and dump channel. This is me, my real journey, my real information, what I gather from people, and what I share with you, which is everything, right? So I bought AI. I bought it last night on a 30% drop. Now, I was down this morning by about 6% at one point. I made the prediction this morning that the market would go down on the bell for 15, 20 minutes, which it did, and then bounce back. And I said today I would not be in the green. I would simply be at a wash. So let me turn it red again, because we are technically, we were at a wash a few moments ago. All I want to do today is get at a wash. Well, we're back at a wash, and I said within an hour of the opening of the bell, which is where it is now, exactly where we are now, would be at a wash. Now, the reason why I bought C3.ai, even though it got overbought yesterday, is because I did some research on the company and why I like it, and I'm going to do some more, and I'm hoping to get some conversations and make some friends on Twitter with the CEOs and workers of these companies. Shell, the US Air Force, bit more difficult there. I'm not James Bond. Baker Hughes, Con Edison, NG, Raytheon. I want to speak to these people because these are customers of AI, C3.ai. I love the ticker, by the way. They're very lucky to own that ticker. It's going to make them trend. It's always going to make them trend above anyone else because they have the ticker AI. And young investors will like that. They will regard that as something special. It's not, of course, but they're very lucky to get it. It's like SPCE has, SPCE, it's virtually space. It's good. Anyway, so some great customers here with the US Air Force and everything else. I like it, but I want to know exactly what the contracts are. Are they likely to come off? Are they likely to remain with C3.ai? C3.ai has huge competition, as does any AI company, in Nvidia included. It's a very, very competitive space. So can it hold its position? I want to make sure that they can. So for me, I liked it at this position. I bought a decent position. If you look at my account, I've actually bought 4%. 4% of my portfolio on my main account is in AI. Now, I'm already in AI because I'm in Nvidia indirectly with the S&P. I'm in AI with Microsoft. I'm in AI with Google. And I did at one point make some money on Facebook. I'm not in it anymore. But there we go. C3.ai, I think, has a good future. If it does drop, it would need to drop to $20 before I doubled my position. And then I would double my position. So then I would be down some sort of 20%, I would double and then I'd be down 10%. As the stock then rose another 10% to bring me back to a wash, I would then sell the FIFO rule, the first in, first out, sell the stocks to half my position to then bring it back into balance, but at the same time I've lowered my average. That's my plan for AI. That's what I'm going to stick to. What do you think? Are you in with AI? Leave me your thoughts. We are running a poll you might like to take part in, and we're also giving you $100. We're giving you the chance to win $100 to vote on this poll. I mean, is there a better YouTube channel in the world? I don't think so. Let's have a look. This is the poll I'm running right now. I just invested in AI. Was I right? We've had 12 votes and 6 retweets. Now, if you retweet this video, you get 25 tickets, 25 lottery tickets to win $100, which we are talking to our sponsor, might actually double if you wish to donate it to one of our charities. How cool is that? So there is our poll right there. Now, how do you take part in the poll? Let me give you that link. Here is the link to the poll. This is made during a live video, so that link's not there now, but it will be when you watch it on a video. There's the link to the poll, and once you've retweeted it, you need to go and earn the points for doing it. Don't just retweet it and think, well, I've retweeted it. Why don't I win $100? You have to go to the giveaway. It's below all my videos, down there in the description, and above my head, so it's there and there. It's like there and there. It's martynlucas.com/giveaway. Here is the giveaway link. There it is. There it is. And if you scroll down, you will see I've just created the retweet of this 25 tickets you get for retweeting it. Now, if you've already retweeted it, you can click already retweeted. But it knows you've retweeted it. You can't cheat and go, well, I've already done it. Doesn't work, all right? You've got to retweet it. There's the post. And then you can get 25 tickets for doing that. And in a few days' time, we're giving away $100. Good, isn't it? We're actually paying you to promote stock that you're making money on. Is there a better channel in the world? I don't think so. Anyway, so there we go. There is AI today. That's why I bought it. That's my thought on it. I do expect it to trim off. It's weak at the moment, but I'm going to hold my position. And that's why I bought it on my brokerage account, a long-term position. As always, until next time, watch out for those AI bots. They're all over the place right now. People tweeting and stuff, not even there. Well, I'll always be live. I won't use AI. I'll write my own tweets. I'll be my own show. And I'll just... I won't even go on trending comments. It'll just be me. This is the Martyn Lucas Show. Take it or leave it. We're going to keep it real, keep it live. But we are going to make some money out of AI along the journey. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, there we go. That'll do. Put that out later. Right. Let's get rid of that a minute. I want to make a Ripple video. There we go, 356. Nice. Very good. Cherry Mullen is going to 3 cents. Reverse split is never good. No, it's not. It's rubbish. I bought Mullen a while back, and I should have sold all sooner. Yeah, I'm just holding mine now because I can afford to lose it. It's probably going to go to 0. Yeah. I want to make an XRP video. Ali, are you here? Sensei Crypto, are you in the channel? I'm going to make an XRP video. I want you to call in. There we go. Sensei, are you here? Let me open the broadcast lounge up. Also go into the breakfast bar as well. Sensei, whatever you're doing, stop doing it and phone into the show. He's thinking, well, I'm a bit busy right now. I'm out with my mum down Tesco's buying some milk. I can't just phone in because you say so. Why not? Anyway, let's have a little look here in the breakfast bar this morning. We got Mike. Oh, Mike always has a nice little cream pie or something with his flipping, I love it, don't you? Nice one. Why Tilray? Very good question. For those of you who don't know, a bit of Star Wars there. My godfather was Kenny Baker, the man inside the robot R2-D2. Let me give Mike a thank you as well. There we go. And Stephen Lewandowski, thank you for being involved. And Eric, thank you for being involved. Cherry, there we go. Thanks for being involved. Let me have a look down here. Check that. Check that. All right. Oops. Now, these are the sort of scammers, everybody. We get this all the time. Watch this. I want everyone to see this, okay? We get people come into Discord. They pretend to be me, and they make up stuff, and they message everybody. And this is what we do to them. We go like this. We go and we ban. And not only do we ban, we report them to Discord, so they won't be able to post anywhere else either. So we get rid of all their posts. So they've wasted their time, achieved nothing, and in a few moments' time, that'll disappear. Oh, there it's gone. And also, we do this. I'm just warning everybody, if you're on my Discord, there will never be any false posts because I get rid of them, but people can message you because it's like, you know, they've got your phone number, if you like. So do not reply to anyone called Martyn Lucas because there's none there in a minute. But every day I get rid of 3 or 4. This is where all the Martyn Lucases appear. You can tell the real one. One, I'm the owner of the channel. I'm in gold. I have the crown. There's my number 3655. And the simple way to know who's the real me is I don't message you. I certainly don't message you about anything. And I certainly don't try and sell you anything. All right? Where do you buy XRP in the US? Which broker? I don't buy it. I have to have it sent to me. Sensei sends it to me. I can receive it. I just can't trade it in the US on the apps that I use. Sensei will tell you if he's here in the chat. But anyway, I send Sensei like $50, you know, of a USD, and then he'll send me you know, $50 worth of XRP. That's how we do it. Anyway. Why Lucid? Why Lucid? Lucid isn't worth anything. It loses $500,000 on every car it sells. It's rubbish. And I got all these fans going, buy Lucid, it's the best car in the world. I go, yeah, they're going private. They're going private. And I keep telling everybody they're going private. You can use Uphold. Sensei, can you call in? I want to do a quick XRP video. You able to? Qcoin. Look at space now. Ladies and gentlemen, in my opinion, the short-lived sell-off and the consolidation that followed are now over. We are in early stages of a turnaround and a comeback on Virgin Galactic. I believe so. I believe so. I believe so. Lucid down because of offerings, added more shares today. Yeah, which means dilution, which means the company is finished. Okay. Shan LY. Can someone confirm to me that we've got dilution? I've not checked that. Can someone confirm to me that there are more shares released today on Lucid? If there are, please confirm that to me. My overall portfolio has turned green. There we go. Studio's gone green again. Can someone confirm that to me? Something is going on here. Up 14 cents so far for the day. If there was something up, I'd tell you, but there isn't. There isn't. It doesn't always have to be a reason. Other than maybe they know that the data is good, which is kind of what I told you a few days ago. Anyway. Can someone send me information that Lucid have released more shares? I've got no evidence of that. I think it's just Lucid is being realised for what it is. It's going private. If someone could send me that in, I'll make a video on it. Apple, Amazon. Excellent. Excellent. Aha! Sensei's calling in. All right. It's about to get good on the channel. It's about to get good. It's about to get good because we got a celebrity on the show right now. He's not as famous as me. He's not as famous as me, but he's getting more famous. He's getting more famous every day. I think he will be as famous as me soon. He's just not quite as famous as me yet, but he's nearly there. Let me go into XRP. Let me prepare for the entrance of Sensei Crypto. So I'm going to bring up a few things. I'm going to bring up that on the screen. I'm going to bring up Sensei's website. This is great, folks. We have Sensei live on the show in a second or two. He's thinking, hang on a minute, isn't that what you normally say when you bring me on the show? Don't say that. I'm not prepared yet. I'm getting my screen sorted out. So I've got that there. I've got that there. Ripple. And I'm also going to bring up my crypto bubbles, which I'm going to slide into there. Okay, XRP. Let me look at it on the screen. I'm going to bring it up on my crypto bubbles. XRP. There we go. We've got it on the screen now. Let me tidy that up a little bit. Bring it down there. Okay. I am ready for you, Sensei. Okay. Let me see how many people are with us. Good number today. Excellent stuff indeed. Right. Let me unmute him. All right. Sensei, you're live on the show. How are you this morning?
I'm very well, thank you, Martin. How are you doing today?
I'm doing very well, very happy. Lovely to have you on here. Are you sharing a screen with us today, or are we just talking?
No, I have nothing prepared. I just jumped in.
You just jumped in. Right, let's talk about XRP for a minute then, all right? Let's talk about XRP for a minute. So I'm going to, as we don't have a screen there, I'm going to also add another screen here. Just bear with me a second. We'll just use the Vorb screen for a minute, and we'll do Ripple in there. There we go. So let's put this on the screen. Let's do a little Ripple thing right now. Space is flying away. Okay. Here we go. So we've got you up there. I'm going to bring the bubbles over there. There. Your channel. Right. Okay. So breaking news here on, hang on a minute. I forgot the time. That's a false start. Let's bring the live up to date, and we are showing a time of 2:11. 2.11, right, XRP, this is going to be an XRP video. Here it comes, everybody. So if you want to know about this, you're about to hear all the inside information. Oh yes, here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We are talking XRP, Ripple, and we're very excited today because we have live on the show Sensei Crypto. Sensei Crypto is one of our sponsors, but he's more than that. He's a friend of mine and a partner in our channel. Also partnered up with Ed Nevius, if you want to know about all our scalp trades and day trades. Sensei Crypto is live on the phone with us, and he is all in on XRP, and he has a lot of information to share with you. So, Sensei, welcome to the channel. How are you?
I'm doing very well. Thanks for having me on. And you are correct. I am all in on XRP.
There you go. You can't be more in than Sensei right now. I believe you've gone margined and leveraged as well. Is that right?
Yeah, it's not a massive leverage position. It's a 1.5x leverage position. I just want to have as much XRP as I can with minimal risk. Okay. Most of my XRP is spot on my ledger, safe and sound.
Okay. Let's have a quick look at our crypto bubbles right now, and we're going to talk to Sensei and ask him why he thinks XRP is worth going all in on. As you can see, on the year it's up 20%. On the month it's up 9.1. The week it's up 11.6. We are down slightly today and on the hour, but as you can see, it's had a lot of growth over the last week, the month, and the year. It's a 26.12 billion market cap. It's ranked number 6. And I'll tell you how much attention this is getting. Look at this. This is my TikTok channel. And when I post a video, these are just 24 hours old. They get a few hundred views within the first few minutes. And some of them carry on, some of them stop. But look at that. We've got XRP. I posted this yesterday with 33,000 views. What does that tell you? It tells you there's a lot of interest. People are talking about XRP, and that's why we've got Sensei on the channel today. So Sensei, tell us why you are all in with Ripple XRP and where you see it going.
Yeah, there's a couple of reasons. Firstly, there's the law case happening, and everything has been now submitted to the judge. Summary judgment is happening. The CEO of Ripple has said that the case will be resolved in weeks, not months. He has always said it would happen in the most likely in the first half of 2023, but if not, in single-digit months. So we are coming up to the end of the lawsuit. With the lawsuit, obviously they can win, they can lose, there can be a settlement, there can be anything in between. The chances, from all the research I have done, is that they will win, or they will have a victory in the sense that XRP itself will be deemed not a security. There might be something about the past sales of XRP were securities, but that's not a problem. Ripple will pay a fine. They've got a lot of cash in hand, but going forward, XRP will not be a security, will not be classed as security, and that will be brilliant for the company and for the crypto token XRP. As soon as we get confirmation of that happening, I see XRP's price 5xing, 10xing, going past its all-time high of $3.50 around that area. Will be in price discovery, and when there is price discovery, our charts can't really tell us how high we go. We've got some predictions, but the sky's really its limit. $5 is what I'm looking for, a $5 XRP. That's a 10x from where we are today. The chances of them coming out with this sort of victory, I would put around 60-70%, and having an edge of 70% is a great risk to reward. Card counters for blackjack, they go in to make money, and they've got an edge of 2%, something like that. We've got an edge of 20% in my opinion, and that is why I've gone all in, because I see the best risk to reward of any token, any stock, any asset at the moment. I see it's XRP, and if that happens, it will be great for my bank. It will be great for anyone following the crypto challenge, and I hope to see a resolution coming up in weeks, not months, as CEO Brad Garlinghouse says.
Well, thank you very much for that full in-depth insight into Ripple XRP. I was just sharing on the screen your website, which is in the description of this video, and also if you click above my head at the top, you see the little eye on the screen. Then there's a link to Sensei Crypto's website as well. So go and check that out. And as you were speaking. As you were speaking, Sensei, I was sharing your website, but you're also sponsoring our competition this week, which ends in 8 days' time. And we are actually giving away a $100 cash prize, and people can actually win free tickets to enter this free prize draw. No purchase necessary, no sign-ups, nothing like that. Completely free, and they can win. They can get free tickets to win $100 just by visiting your website. And when you do visit the website, make sure that you claim your tickets by visiting the website and earning. That gets you 50 tickets. So thank you for sponsoring our giveaway, Sensei.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, so you can join the giveaway. It's completely free, and you don't need. We're not expecting any money or anything. You just claim your tickets. There's many ways to claim tickets, and on the website, if you do join the plan, I am providing a lot of. So obviously, we've got a 1K to 10K challenge. Mostly, 25% of that will be allocated to XRP. It's a more balanced crypto portfolio. I'm not going all in for the 1K to 10K in XRP. I'm doing a much more balanced approach. But also there's trade setups, and there will be XRP areas to sell. So I'm going to be charting exact areas and what percentage of XRP we're going to sell when the resolution comes. So if you want to join that and see exactly where we're selling and buying, please do. Yeah, that's website, and the giveaway that's ending in 8 days. So if you get involved now, there's a chance to win $100, and maybe I'll be increasing the giveaway. But there's at least $100 to win, completely free to join.
Fantastic. And I also want to do something else for everybody. As you can see, the XRP video is trending on my TikTok. The link for that above my head and also below in the description. Everybody, especially Sensei, reply to all the comments on here. And this, I predict, within a week will be at 100,000 views. And if you want to grow on TikTok, if you've ever wanted to be, having a large account on TikTok, the way to do that is if a creator of a viral video, which this will be within a week if everyone comments on it, is you can grow if the creator of a viral video starts commenting back to you and engages with you. So I am going to reply to everybody's comments who replies to this post here on my TikTok. So the link's below in the description and above my head if you click on that. And you will see, hopefully, Sensei, you gonna comment in there, mate?
Yes, any comments that there will be, I'll be replying to every single comment today. So
Brilliant,
drop your
brilliant. And I will comment back to you, which then validates Sensei, because if the creator of the video then comments back to others that are commenting, it validates their comment. And I want everyone to go and check out Sensei's website, and I will report back in a week. And I wouldn't be surprised if that's at 100,000 views, because a lot of people now are interested in crypto, interested in XRP particularly. Sensei, I want to thank you very much for coming on to our show today. I'm just once again sharing on the screen your website. Link for all that information is below. Go and check it out. He is supporting our giveaway. If you want to be in on that, you can win $100 free. Again, that information is below. Sensei, just as we close this video, final thoughts on your prediction, short term and long term for XRP, please.
Yeah, so short term, I think short term, within the next 3 months, we can see that $5 XRP. Long term, after the FOMO, after everything, after the hype, after the law case, it will probably drop back down. And long term, the next 5 years, I see XRP, a token worth at least $20. Ripple, the company, will be IPOing. I have strong conviction that the company will IPO after this law case is settled or come to a conclusion, and that again will set XRP's price up. I want to stress that once this happens, XRP will be the only cryptocurrency on planet Earth that will have regulatory clarity. The only other crypto, Bitcoin, has been deemed a commodity. No other crypto has been deemed a commodity. And when XRP does, that opens the doors to every single financial institution to get invested, as it has regulatory clarity. So it is definitely one to be in.
Sensei, I'm loving it. So what I'm going to do, as I always do, is if I make a video on something, I effectively promote it, if you like, by making a video that's successful. I always put my money where my mouth is, always. I don't make videos to pump and dump stocks, even though people always say that's what you always do. I never, ever do that. I'm live up to 10 hours a day. I put my money where my mouth is. If I say a stock's going up, I buy it because I want to make money, right? So Sensei, as you know, I use Coinbase. It's our crypto challenge. And on there, I have about 600 USD at the moment. And I can't buy XRP because it's not available right now on Coinbase. That's partly what we're talking about today. So if I send you today some USD and you receive that, would you then send me some XRP?
Of course, yes, we can get that done. That's great news.
Let's do it. How much do you reckon? How much should I buy? You know my balance. You know I'm not an all-in guy like you. 5% of my portfolio is in crypto, and the majority of that is in Bitcoin and XRP right now. I've got $600 in USD. How much should I send you today to buy XRP?
We can do another 100. I think another 100 would be very sensible.
All right. I'll do it. So if you send me $100 worth of XRP, I will send you $100 of USD, and I will do it right at the end of the show. Thank you, Sensei. I'm excited about that.
Brilliant. Thank you very much for having me on the show, and I look forward to increasing your XRP holdings.
Absolutely. Nice one. Thank you very much indeed. So
Bye-bye.
there we go. Bye-bye. There's Sensei Crypto. Thank you very much for joining us. So you heard what I said there. I'm literally going to do it right now. So Sensei, before the price goes up, because I'm making a really good video here, get me that $100 of Ripple right now. Send it to me right now, and I will send you the USD at the end of the show. He's thinking, well, you better make sure you do send me the money. I always do, but I can't do it right now. Anyway, but you send it right now because I'm making a video and I don't want it to go up to $1 before you do that. Anyway, there you go. So what do you think? If you want to be part of our giveaway, if you want to be in our crypto challenge, if you want to visit Sensei's website and be all a part of his crypto experience as I am, as you heard, I'm doing it with my own real money. Go below the video, look above my head for the links, and you too can be part of our crypto challenge. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, there you go. That's a little bit of, that'll be good. That'll be a good video, won't it? That'll be good. Make all the videos live. The only way to do it. Okay. So, actually, Sensei, what we could do, add to the video, if you're still listening to me now, do it as a crypto tip. Yes, do that. Do that now so I can add it to the video. If you send, so how you do this, it's martynlucas.com/tip. If he does it now, it'll come up on the screen. So let's do that. Yes, that's what I will do. Yeah, do it. If you can do it now, Sensei, you know I'm going to send you the $100 at the end of the show, right? You know I'm going to do that. Do it now. I will put it into the video. All right. So he's thinking, God, he's very demanding, this bloke, isn't he? He's very demanding. Anyway, so if I drag my cursor over there, we'll do it in a few minutes. There you go. If I scroll down here, look, I can make Ripple the price I want to pay for it. Does anybody else have this magic portfolio as I do? If you want to buy Ripple at 36 cents, what you do is you drag it over like that, and now the price is 36 cents. And then what I can do is phone up Robinhood and say, I want to buy Ripple at 36 cents. And they go, you can't. And I go, yeah, I can. Yeah, I can. And they go, well, no, you can't, because it's now 50 cents. I go, no, it's advertised here at 36 cents. And they go, it's because you're dragging your cursor over the screen. Don't talk so daft. And I go, no, if I go into a shop and it's advertised at a price, the seller has to sell me at that price. It's my human rights. And they go, well, that might be the case when it comes to a shop, but it's not the case when you're being a flipping idiot and you're dragging your cursor over the... I don't care. It's advertised here, 36 cents. I want to buy it for 36 cents. I'm sorry, your human rights do not apply when it comes to you being an idiot. Anyway, you never know. It might be worth trying. Robinhood liked me. Vlad Tenev likes me. I'm always ringing him up. I'm always tagging Robinhood in my viral posts. You never know. They might do that. They might do it for me. They'll go, Martyn, just for you, how much do you want to pay for XRP? I want to pay 36 cents, please. Martyn, you can have it. I might do that. I wish I could go back 7 years and buy it for a few cents. I bet you do, Sensei, but you can't. You can't, and neither can anybody else. Anyway, well, what we're going to do in a few moments' time, Sensei is going to appear on the screen with his $100 worth of XRP. And to pay for that, because I can't buy it on Coinbase, I can receive it and send it. I just can't buy it. So Sensei is going to do me a tip of $100, and then I'm going to send back $100. All right, because it's not really a tip. It's me buying it, all right? Sensei's going to go, you do realize that actually wasn't a tip, right? You do realize that was actually you buying it. Yeah, I know. Anyway, we'll wait for that for a moment. And while we're looking at that, we'll change our position. And we are very green today in everything. We're very green. And we're about to hit an all-time high again. This is where we are right now. There we go. My prediction came true. How does he know this stuff? You're going to say it again, aren't you? How does he know this stuff? Oh, there you go. So anyway, we're at an all-time high is 55,500. So we're $600 off an all-time high. But I don't think we'll be there today, to be perfectly honest. But we're moving in that direction. We've made some re-entries into new stocks. So you're always a little bit down when you first do that. Anyway. Millennium Agents, Jose, you missed a great part of our show. You Power going crazy. Leyland Johnson. Good morning, Leyland Johnson. We've got a guest here today. Come on in. And we've also got the Millennium Agents here as well. The Millennium Agents. We love the Millennium Agents. When are you going to become a member? When are you going to become a member, part of the family? I don't know what we need to do here. We've got like 95% of our live viewers, highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. 95% of our live viewers are members. And we're just waiting now for the Millennium Agents to become part of the club. Anyway, someone says, I'm not joining your cult. It is a cult too. Absolutely right. Virgin Galactic Pump. Yeah, absolutely right. I said it would. No one pays attention to me. There it is. So there's my Roth. There's my main account, and we are very green today. Thank you very much indeed. Right, we're just waiting for the XRP to come through. I am buying $100 worth of XRP this morning. Thank you. Nu Vang is now following me. Thank you ever so much indeed. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We are getting very, very close now to our target of 1,000 followers on Facebook. We were at 809 5 minutes ago. We are at 811 now in the last few minutes. Look at that. We're trying to get to 1,000. And do you know what? We'll be at 1,000 within a week with the XRP video I'm going to put out in a minute. All right. Let's just put that in the sand. Let's put that in the sand. Right. Okay. Here we go. Sent. Should be with you shortly. Up. Get onto the Ripple screen. Here it comes then. Here it comes. Now, is this a tip or am I buying this? I just want to be clear. Is this a tip or am I...
Sensi Crypto donated $0. Good luck. XRP to the moon. Smiley face. 198.627962 XRP.
There we go. Let's put that in and explain to you why it says $0. It says $0 because Coinbase doesn't trade it. You can receive it and you can send it, but that's why it's only showing $0. So what was I going to do? There was something I was going to do then. I was going to do something. I can't remember what it was. Oh yes, mark the time in the video. Mark the time when that came in. Otherwise, I got no idea of when that happened. Here we go. That came in at 2:32. 2:32. So we took 15 minutes to do it. Is that good? It's good, isn't it? It's good, isn't it? Good night. I'm going to sleep. It's very late for you. I know it is. 3 times I have tried and it charged me $0. I will try again. It charged you $0. What's going on? How can it charge you $0? Cent should be with you shortly. Just need to clear my app, then it'll be super fast on the blockchain. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. So, did everyone see that? Did everyone see it? I just got a tip. That wasn't me buying it, was it? Can everyone just confirm if we get everybody say, yep, it was a tip, then it was a tip. I mean, I'm just saying, look. Right. It's a tip, isn't it?
Sensi Crypto donated $0. Good luck.
It's only $0.
XRP to the
It's not
moon.
worth anything.
Smiley
I ain't
face.
got to pay for that.
198.627962 XRP.
Brilliant. Excellent stuff. Sensei, can you send me your can you send me in Discord, please, your wallet? I want to send you that $100. I'll do it right at the end of the show, but if you can send me your, I want to do it literally at the moment I finish the video. So if you could send that in Discord to me, your wallet address, so I can send you that 100 USD, I will do that. All right, mate? Okay. All right. Good. Very good. Right then. It's been a good day. We've got lots of videos to put out. Lots of messages to reply to on TikTok. I want to make all my commenters today viral on TikTok with that post. I'm sure it will go viral. I'm sure it'll be 100,000 views within a week. If everyone comments on it, I will comment back to every one of my members here. It might take me a couple of hours to reply to everybody, but I will do it. All right, there we go. Virgin Galactic is up 7.66. Very nice. Very nice indeed. XRP, Rivian, Mullen, C3 AI. Ooh, very nice. Can I ask a question? What's the Virgin Galactic counter down in your screen? That's the time. It's not a counter, it's the time. That is the time for me right now. That is the time for me. I'm just showing Virgin Galactic right now because we're talking about it a lot and we're trending for it. What we trend for, I put on in the corner of the video. I plan on trending for C3 AI as well. I also trend for Lucid. I trend for Mullen, Virgin Galactic, SPCE stock. And that's the reason why that's there. Raphael, how are you this morning? Good to see you. He was here this morning and he's back. That's the time for me right now. It's called the Peter Clock. It's called the Peter Clock. Big congratulations to Ed for an amazing trade today. You can join us and see our trades at senseicrypto.com. Excellent indeed. There you go. Love it. Can I ask a question? What's the Virgin? I've answered that one, I think. Right. I think it's time for me to get off. Sensei, can you send me a message, please? Of your, I want your USD wallet, please. For me, it's 16 hours. So it's 4 o'clock for you, is it? 4 o'clock. You are in the UK then, are you? You're in the UK. Could be time to take profit on AI. Eric, because you're studying the charts now. Tell me why. Tell me what should I take profit on that? What's your thoughts? I've got $90. Thanks, Sensei. What's your thoughts? What do you think? Let me talk to, I'm from Portugal, same time zone. Ah, Portugal. Yes. So should we sell some position here on C3 AI? Let me address our guest. Let me talk to you. I think I can do Portuguese. I actually go out the videos. You may have noticed all my videos are in Portuguese is one of the languages they're in. The description and the title, and then I often translate them as well afterwards. Not the live shows, the videos. It has been fighting the same resistance line several times. Okay. Welcome, Raphael, and all our guests and friends in Portugal. Welcome to the show.
Bem-vindo, Rafael, e todos os nossos convidados e amigos em Portugal. Bem-vindos ao show.
All right, Ed, Eric, I'm going to take your teachings that you've got. Trading stop order. Amount. Let's have a look. 33.74. That's 33. That's 34.71. $34.60. Okay. Trail 20 cents. 50 shares. I'll sell half. Oh no, not 50. 25. I'll sell half my position. Amount at 20 cents. That'll sell its okay. Half my position. Review the order. At a 20 cents drop. $25. Sell half my position. Just got to go over to security. I wish this wouldn't do it. I don't know why on earth this is still doing it. But it is. I've got to just enter my information here. Keep me in for 30 days. Doesn't seem to work anymore. I'm just breaking from you for a moment to do my security checks. There we go. I've just set a stop trail order to sell. I'm up nearly 6% now. In fact, I am up 6%. There we go. Half my position sold. And there we go. Let me refresh that. So I bought at 33.10 and I sold at 34.91. So there you go. I bought at 33.10 and I sold at 34.91. There we go. So let me do a quick calculation. A quick calculation how much I made. I made 34.91 minus 33.10. I made 181 times that by 25. I made 45 bucks. I made 45 bucks. And there we go. So Eric, I took that tip from you. With your advice and suggestion there, with all the knowledge that you are gaining by the minute. So I took it as good information, and I took a profit. Now I sold it for $34.91. We're at 34, just around about where we are now. I took a 20-cent drop, and let's see. I'm holding the other position. I'm up 6% on the other position I've got there, and the idea is I can use that profit to buy back if it drops back. That is the idea. Can you make someone a moderator on TikTok? Yes. If you come onto TikTok right now, Sensei, I'll make you a moderator right now. This is my TikTok right now. Let me show you. I will happily make you a moderator on TikTok. There I am on TikTok right now. So if you actually come in to TikTok right now, Sensei Crypto, hello, how are you? Let me have a look. You're not a member or a subscriber. I don't know if I should do it. There you go. On and off, manage keywords and review, mute accounts. What can you do? Turn commenting on and off, manage keywords and review, mute. Real view. Comment settings. Turn commenting on and off, manage keywords and review, filtered comments. Mute accounts. Accounts. There you go. I've made you a moderator and I've given you some permissions. Right, if you comment again, it should confirm that you are actually a moderator. Yes, there it is. Okay, you can now comment on Twitter, and you can actually, TikTok, and you can actually do all kinds of stuff. I've given you all kinds of roles. All right. Okay. I just took profits there from AI. We've just sold half a position. Remember, you don't have to sell all of it. I want to still own something. But that's now a position where I can buy back if it drops because you've already taken profit. So if it should go down 20%, I can buy back with the profits I made and basically get 1 and a bit free shares. That's it. That's the way to do it. All right, so we'll leave that now. We can forget all about it. The overall position is up. I didn't think I'd turn green today. I said if I got a wash, I'd be happy. Well, it ended up completely smashing that idea. Now then, if I go into my Coinbase, I should see my $100 worth of Ripple XRP, and there it is. I've received it. I can share everyone on the screen so you can see exactly. There you go. I received $100 from Sensei. So this is, you can see now on my account. There you go. It's gone up $100 today. It was at 260. Now it's 360. There you go. And now what I've got to do now, as you can see, my Ripple account has gone up to 336. I have to send, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sell $100 of USD, and I'm going to send that to Sensei Crypto. I'll do it at the end of the show. I will give roses. Hey, look at that. Let me put you on the screen. Let me put you on the screen. Here we go. Sensei. There you go. Look at this. There you go, Sensei. Look, you're famous now. I'm going to add this to the video. Okay, so we have Sensei Crypto here in TikTok today. He's answering all your questions about XRP. If you do go and look at my post, which is going viral right now, it's on 34,000 views. I do predict it being at 100,000 views by the end of the week. If you go and comment on the XRP video, Sensei Crypto is one of my moderators who takes care of all our crypto. He's actually in TikTok for you right now. He will answer all of your questions. So if you'd like to go in and find the XRP video, it's near the top of my profile, and it is actually trending right now. And you will find Sensei Crypto in there. He will reply to all your questions about XRP. Fantastic. Okay, I'll add that to the video as well. Let me come back to here a minute. And we'll keep that there. I will just mark the time and I'll add that to the video as well. Let's go live here. And 250. 250. Sensei is the #1 gifter badge. Here we go. That's going to feature you there in the video. I'm going to do that. XRP. Okay. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. This is good, Sensei. You're going to really do well today, and make sure that you share the links for your website. I'm really chuffed for you, mate, because I want to see you get a really big account on TikTok. Right, I'm going to end the show. Good move, Martin. I hope it runs for you still. Yeah, I sold half my position in it, and it's carried on going. So I've missed out money. Always take profits, folks. I was going to leave it there, but I sold half my position, and there's nothing wrong with doing that. Nothing wrong with doing that. Even though I'm very upset with Eric B. I'm not going to speak to him again. This is where, you know, you should always go on your own gut. You shouldn't listen to what your friends say. What I did is I took a profit. I made $40. Could have made about $60. So, you know, because of Eric B, I've lost about $20. Just saying. Anyway, it was the right thing to do because the company, the stock could easily sell at this position. Nothing to do, in my opinion, with the chart. It's to do with the way things are trending. Charts is one thing. Charts means has a lot to say with the movement of a stock. But remember, that's only what it did in the past. Doesn't tell you what it's going to do in the future. I sold it because it was the right thing to do. Because if you can buy a stock one day and make 6% the next day, why not? And also it returns capital to my account. I've still got a good position. Let's be absolutely clear. It's still 2.25% of my portfolio, which is big. Anyway, that's why I overbought it last night with the intention of selling it. So even though I'm having a little go at Eric B and going, Eric B just cost me money, it was the right thing. Oh, you remember? Oh, what? You've given me a job to do now. Did you just become a subscriber? No, you haven't. No, you haven't. No, you haven't. You've not become a subscriber. What are you on about? What are you on about? It was... Oh, yes, you have. Yes, you have. Yes, you have. Flipping out. You give me a job to do now. Look at this. Now I've got a job. Now I've got another job to do. Look, can you see here? Sensei, he's got a Luca badge. Can you see it? He's got a Luca badge. He just subscribed to me. Damn it. Do you know what that means? That means at the end of the video, bloody hell, at the end of the video, I got to put his channel on the screen behind me. whichever way you're looking, right? And make a video promoting his channel so he gets more subscribers to his flipping TikTok channel. It's another job I got to do now. Sensei, you keep giving me these jobs. Thank you very much. Anybody else want to do it? Do it now, otherwise I'm changing my mind. I'm only doing it for the first 2 people today. So that's one. There's only 1 spot left. Only 1 spot left. I haven't got time for this, promoting everybody. I got stuff to do. Still got the bed to make this morning. I didn't make the bed this morning. Anyway, if time, maybe this weekend, you, Sensei, and me can have a call. We absolutely need to. We need to. I've got to bring you 2 in line. We got Sensei and Ed Nevius running amok right now. They've teamed up. They're forming like a little. It's like the flipping mafia, right? We used to be a team. Now you've got Sensei and Ed Nevius like joining forces, having private conversations, right? I need to bring them in line. We need to have a meeting this weekend. Bring all 3 of them. Bring all the 3 of us back together, because these 2, they're running a riot right now, doing all sorts behind. I don't know. I have a clue what's going on. So yes, Ed Nevius, we got to have a conversation before you 2 get out of hand. Right? Okay. C3 AI. I called you, Martin, and made sure you were happy. Yeah, I was just saying that. I was just being nice. I was just being nice. I'm not happy. I'm not happy about any of this. I'm not happy about any of it. I thought we had a little thing here, and Sensei and Ed Nevius are going off running a riot. I was just being nice. I'm not happy. Do I look like I'm happy? Do I sound like I'm happy? Of course I'm bloody happy. I'm happy with anyone. Anyone does anything and anyone grows, it's great. This channel, as far as I'm concerned, is here to help everyone. All I want to do is help people, and everyone wins. When you win, I win. When I win, you win. It's what it's all about. Do what you like. No one's got to do anything. You do what you want. You're free to do what you want. As long as it all goes through me. Oh, bloody hell. But yes, let's have that call. Yes, let's have that phone call before it gets out of hand. They know I'm only joking. The SF, or am I? 13 Galactic trimmed off a little bit. Ripple is now at 50 cents. I tell you what, Sensei, if I lose my money on Ripple, there's going to be hell. Hell up, I'm telling you. Rivian, Mullen. I've got to get off and make videos. I'm already losing money because of Eric B. Eric B says you should sell that now. Take the C3I cash and run. I just did. I sold half of it. I'm not selling anymore. Because the idea is now I will use the 50% of the money that I made from this to buy it back and do it all over again. So there you go. I've got plenty of money. 1,400 in my buying power again. Right. Ed Nevius. Is Ed Nevius a moderator? Yes. Ed Nevius is a moderator. He hasn't got a Luca badge, though. I'm just saying that Ed Nevius, if he's going to be part of the Sensei little FBI little gang, right? Shouldn't Ed Nevius be a Luca badge owner? So Sensei, are you going to buy Ed Nevius a Luca badge so he's part of the club? Because if you 2 are going to form this little gang and kick me out, throw me down the river, right? Shouldn't you at least do it with your hat on, right? I'm just going to say, if you 2 are teaming up to try and throw me down the road, right? At least do it with his badge, okay? Okay? If you 2 are going to gang up and throw me out, at least you need to do it with a badge. So, Ed, you need a Luca badge. So get that sorted, all right? That's on the screen right now. Get that sorted. Because if you're going to do me, you might as well do me fully dressed with your hat on. We're open about it, okay? If not, what does it mean? I'll come back in a minute and see if he's got his Luca badge. If he ain't, there's going to be hell up on top of hell up, all right? There's going to be like double trouble in a minute, all right? Just saying, Ed Nevius. You know? Stop messing around. Stop messing around. Anyway, the S&P, we're making money. We're having a laugh, right? We're making money. We're doing well. We're growing the YouTube channel. Oh, by the way, have we grown today? Because at the end of the day, if we're not growing, if we're not making money, I can't help anybody, right? Let's have a little look. We have had 413 people through the stream. The average is 200. So we've doubled our average on a normal day. It's not even a trending video today. 400. 12,000 views in 48 hours. Yep. It's not a record, though. 20,000 was when we had that massive stream the other day. But still pretty good. Still pretty good. We're getting regular videos now go over 1,000 views. That's good, isn't it? That's good, isn't it? Any subscribers? 175, 178. Boom. Get in. When we get to 10,000, we're doing a fundraiser for Zach, where all the money will go to Africa and Uganda. Excellent. When we get to 10,000 subscribers, we like that, because I can do that then, because you turn on the charitable link and you can actually make sure that all the money, without any middleman, literally YouTube give all the money. It's brilliant. No deductions at all. Very, very exciting. Very exciting about that. How many likes? 56 watching, 54 likes. That's pretty good though. However, there are 2 people not like the video. Can you please like the video? I work really hard here. I work really hard, 10 hours a day, just to get likes. Without people liking me, my life doesn't feel whole. I need people to like the video. So 55, there you go. One more person, and I can turn around and tell Mr. Beast that I have got a 100% engagement rate. 54 watching, 56 likes. What does that say? That says every single person liked the video. I mean, what more can you do in life? Henrik, hang on. We got a guest from Denmark. Oops, did it go up again? It did, didn't it? Did it just roll round again? Yeah, it went to 79. Very good. Let's see if we've grown today on Facebook. We're trying to get to 1,000 followers. We're streaming there. We're trying to get. If you've not followed me on Facebook yet, why? Because I literally give you money to do it. We're giving away $100 for you to just follow me on Facebook. I mean, ridiculous, isn't it? Hey, this should be called the Secret Millionaire. 811. Let's refresh it. It's now gone to 812. There you go. Boom. Get on in. Let's have a look on this poll here. Now, this is the poll we're running on about my AI purchase this morning. Was I right to buy it? Well, of course I was, because I've made 6% profit and I've sold it and I've made some money. So I was right, whether you agree with me or not. 13 votes. Now, everybody that retweets this is in our giveaway to win $100. All right, so there's the poll. I've given you the poll. I'm going to give it to everybody on Rumble right now, because I've got not quite a record audience. It was 26 the other day. There's the poll if you want to vote on it. I'm giving you $100 here to vote on it. I'm paying you to promote your stock so you make money. Who does that on YouTube? Ed Nevius. Has Ed Nevius become a Luca badge owner? Ed Nevius. I think he has. Ed. Has Ed got a Luca badge? No, he's got a gifter badge. Member of the team. No, he's not. He's not. He's telling everybody, he's trying to claim some glory. Look, it says here that Ed Nevius became the 7th member of the team. He's telling everybody that he's joined me as a subscriber. He hasn't. He's making it up. Ed Nevius does not have a Luca badge, right? He does not have a Luca badge. He's not like Sensei Crypto. No, he's not. He's making it up. Look, he does not have a Luca badge. So I don't know why he's saying that. He's making it up. We'll come back in a minute and sort him out. Right. Anyway, let's go back to this post here. And this is where I'm giving you $100. So this is, if you retweet and follow me on Facebook, all that stuff, you can win $100. I just give people money. I pay people to like me, basically. So I'm like the kid in the playground who says, if you like me, I'll give you money. Right? So someone's going to clip that. Someone's going to clip that and say, Martyn Lucas is paying people to like him. Yeah, no one likes me, but if I pay them $100, everyone likes me, right? 8577. Let me refresh it. 8577. It hasn't moved in the last half an hour. Why is that? Why is that? No one claiming their free money. 4 new messages. Ed Nevius trying to figure it out. Ed Nevius is going, I'm trying to figure it out. It's not hard, is it? Sensei Crypto can do it. Yeah, Sensei Crypto can do it. Anyone can do it. Jeff says on YouTube you came from TikTok. Say on YouTube you came from TikTok. Yeah, if you do that, I will put you in our free prize draw. If you come on from TikTok into YouTube, I will put you in our free prize draw. See, Sensei's telling everybody, have you jumped on his shares before you do with drones or Coca-Cola? Oh, talk of which, thank you very much for telling me. You just reminded me, Keza. You just reminded me to buy Coca-Cola. Boom. You just reminded me. Thank you very much for reminding me. Yes, yes. Eric, could I have your words of wisdom? I like your accent and your humour. Do you? I'm glad about that. That's why you remember, you pay for this. You pay for this. This isn't free. You pay for this. You pay lots of money for this. Let's go. I have invested in Virgin Galactic. Fantastic. Yes, we all have. We're all making money. Legio. What? Where are you from? Good evening from Denmark. Good evening from Denmark. Right, I'm going to buy some. Eric B. Should I buy some Coke? Should I buy some Coca-Cola? You know it. You know what I should do. Yes, because we've got the dividend in 7 days' time. Yes, it's at the bottom. I don't really care if it goes any lower. I don't care. I don't care about it. Buy some Coke. So 10. I've got 32. I mean, compare it to J&J. You should sell some Tilray and buy some Coke. I didn't ask you that. Don't overstep your boundaries. I didn't ask you if I should sell Tilray. We all know about Tilray. I don't need your advice on Tilray. I asked you whether I should buy some Coke with the money I made on AI. That's all I asked you. Don't go and add bits. All right? I didn't ask you that, did I? Didn't ask that. Just asked you about Coke, all right? Americans will wake up eventually and stop buying Coke. Really? Why is that then? It's a dividend king. What are you on about? You said that about Amazon. You said that about McDonald's the other day, and I made some money on it. Remember that? Remember when you said to me, oh, you're overpaying for McDonald's. And I said, you can't overpay for land. You cannot overpay for land. And you went, yeah, you are. I went, no, I'm not. You went, yeah, you are. I went, no, I'm not. I went, yeah, you are. I went, no, I'm not. Yeah, you are. No, this is not really me. This is like a fault of the video. What just happened then wasn't really me. It was a fault of the video. It was just repeating itself. So just know that. All right. Anyway, you were wrong about that, and you're wrong about this. Ring the bell, says Sensei Crypto. I'm not ringing the bell. How can I ring the bell? It's 10:30 in the morning. Ring the bell. Coca-Cola. It went down a bit. It went down to 59. I'm not bothered about that. 50, if it goes to 59.43, no, I'm not bothered about that 40 cents. I'm going to make that in the dividends alone. It doesn't matter to me. Tilray is up. Hey! Woohoo! Get in, Tilray. I love it, Tilray. There we go. I'm gonna sell it when it goes up, though. I'm not talking about the T. What's TEH? What's the T? I'm not talking about the stock. Oh, I see. Oh, I stop buying the Coke product. I don't drink soda. I love Coke. I've got to be honest. I like it. I buy what I like what I buy, and that's all there is to it. Eric, can someone tell me what the dividend is? Can someone tell? In fact, I can look at my history. Dividend. Here we go. The dividend. Amount per share, 46 cents. You're going to earn 46 cents. You're going to earn 46 cents from it anyway. Big Macs are better, says Keza. 46 cents. You're going to earn 46 cents from it anyway. So let's imagine that Coca-Cola goes down to, it was as low as 59.60. So it could go down 30 cents. If I buy it at the bottom, I can get that back anyway. So essentially I'm buying it at the bottom anyway. So either way round, that's fine. There you go. Sod it. I bought some Coke. I'm down 0.25%. There you go. Stick that in your pipe and smoke it. Tilray. Now, the other one I want to buy more of is J&J. J&J's been trending down. I've been waiting for it to hit a bottom. It went down as low as 151, 154. It's close enough. The dividend you get from this one, is how much do I earn from this one? Dividend. You earn amount per share $1.13. $1.13 per share. $1.13 per share. When's the J&J dividend, mate? Let me do it. It's every 3 months, isn't it? J&J, May. When did I get paid? Johnson & Johnson limit buy, limit sell. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's due now. Yeah, $1.19. June the 6th. Ah, okay. It's paying out now. So I'm already in. I'm already earning that. So there's not much point in me buying it just yet then. Because, well, in fact, another reason to buy it is because it is going down because people are already in. Virgin Galactic, very nice indeed. Bear bull mark. I joined something, not sure what. I joined something. Let's have a look. I'm looking at you. Did he sort it out? I joined something. Ed Nevius, do a comment on TikTok. Do a comment and then I'll see if it comes up. Do a comment and see if you got a badge. And then we'll celebrate. We'll go, yay! Because that's the celebration sound, right? When I go, yay! It means I'm celebrating. All right? Come on, I'm waiting for a comment. This is real time. This is real action here. This ain't AI robots. This is real stuff. I need to see. I joined something. He joined something. I gotta make so many videos now. It's ridiculous. I don't believe I've committed to this. I don't believe I've committed to it. So J&J. I don't need to buy any more. I got plenty. It's 21% of my brokerage account. It's 4.8. I got plenty. All I'm doing is lowering the average, which is not a bad thing to do when you get the opportunity. On my brokerage is where I should do it. I'm down 6%. It's been as low as 153. This month KO and next month is Procter & Gamble and then it's J&J, yeah. Let me visit my P&G. Let me visit my P&G then. PG tips. I've got that in my Roth. I'm not adding any more to my Roth right now. It's down 3.5%. It's not bad. Yeah, I'm not adding in the Roth at the minute. So we're just going to let that ride at the minute. Ed Nevius, what's wrong with you? I've been asking you for 5 minutes. I joined. Ed Nevius, can you comment on TikTok? I'm waiting for you. There he is. He's done it. Flipping out. How long did that take? It's hard work, this, isn't it? It's hard work. The people I have to work with. Right. Ed Nevius. Ed Nevius has a Luca badge. That's 2 videos I've got to make. Now, nobody else. If you subscribe to me now, you're out of luck. I'm only doing 2 today. Right. At the end of the show, I'm going to do a commercial for you. I'm going to put you on there and make a commercial for you. Right. I'll do it right at the end of the show. If I don't end this stream now, I'm never going to get it done. Ed and Sensei Crypto are taking over my channel. It's not on, is it? Tilray. Not buying it. AI. What's happening here? Well, as you know, I bought it 30% down, took a 6% profit on it today. I sold half, and now it's trending back down again. Lucid, waste of time. No one shared to me. I could have done a really good video if someone could have shared me the facts about Lucid. Have they released more shares? That's what I wanted to know. No one could be bothered to tell me. Anyway, we are in a very big position now. 6% and 9% of Coke. I love it. And they're both now virtually on a wash. Got them at the bottom. Nice. Nice. And I'm going to earn all those dividends. Nice. Right. I'm done with TikTok now. I've been sharing it too long. Not everyone cares about TikTok. Oh, man. We're having a good time today. Look at that. We're coming up to our 2nd anniversary and we are breaking records on the main account. We're breaking records on the Roth IRA and we are $300 away from an all-time high. Get on in. I love it. And we've got some cash there and we've got some cash there. There we go. I wonder what gold's doing. Should we look at gold? Is gold going down? Because gold could be going down if this is going on. All this excitement going on around high-risk stocks. Let's have a quick look at GLD. GLD, my gold. It's up today. Do I hold it in my brokerage account? Nope. Do I hold it in my Roth? Yep. I sold it, took some profits on it. It hasn't gone back down yet. So we're just holding that for now. Lucid has enough cash till 2025. Only news I see. Yeah, Ed, someone told me this morning, again, on people that aren't members make up rubbish, right? Someone came in this morning and said to me that Lucid has diluted. I don't think so, because we would know about that. But that apparently is what happened. That's why the stock went down. I don't know. That's what they said. Again, we can't take that as fact. We've got no idea, right? So people can say what they want, but we don't just report on rubbish. Are you having a drinking show on the anniversary? Of course we are. Of course we are. We do it at my birthday. We do it of the show birthday. We do it at St. Patrick's Day. We do it at Christmas. And we do it at New Year's 5 times a year. That's enough for anybody. That's enough for anybody. You get treated to the crazy drunkenness 5 times a year. That's as much for anybody. I think you'll agree. Right, let's see if anyone's taken part in the competition giveaway in the last 10 minutes, because I'm going to end the show now. I'm bored with you. 5, yes, there we go. People have claimed their tickets. I wonder why no one did. I thought, why is no one claiming their tickets? I've just given another 200 tickets away. I am too good. Yes, news is sold 60% to the Saudis. Right, Ed, can you send that to me now as a link? And I will make a video, and this is going to blow up absolutely crazy, because the team behind Lucid, the team behind Lucid are extremely aggressive and silly, and they will be all over my channel if I can make that video. I said that was going to happen. Didn't I say the last week that they're moving towards private? And everyone went, no, they're not. That can't happen. Well, it looks like we have that information now. So Ed, can you share me that information? Yes. All right. Do it now then. Do it right now. Right, Ali sent me his wallet as well. Good, so I can send in the money. Do you see how he didn't say? Do you see how he didn't say as well that it was a tip? No, you owe me $100. No, he could have been nice, couldn't he? He could have been nice and said, Martin, for all that you do for me, you can keep that. But he didn't. No, you said you send me the $100. Right. Ed Nevius has sent me this. Luxury Even Lucid has just raised enough money to keep it going through the whole middle of 2020. What's good for the company, however, isn't good for the stock. Thank you. Wednesday Lucid ticker announced 3 minutes. Right. Brilliant. This is what I need. I got it. This is what I need. This is what I need. This is what I need. Okay, so here we go. This is going to go crazy. When I put this video out later, it will be 1,000 views within a few hours, and all the Lucid investors, who are not really investors at all, they are gamblers, will be all over me. I'll be all over Reddit. They'll be going, that Martyn Lucas, he doesn't know what he's talking about. He said it would do this, and it has, but he doesn't know what he's talking about. We're gonna tweet in the dark. Hey, Uncle Billy, 5-year, hang on a minute. Hey, 10-year-old Billy, get off your computer. It's time for bed. Mum, I'm just on my Reddit computer tweeting about Martyn Lucas. Get to bed. You're 10 years of old age. You've got school in the morning. Mum, I've just got to do this. Does Martyn Lucas really think you're a big investor? He doesn't know. I'm tweeting every day on Reddit saying he's an idiot. He doesn't know what he's talking about. You're 10 years of age. Get to bed. I know. Oh, gosh. You got to have some fun. You make money and have fun at the same time. It's what it's all about, right? Because it's just flipping obvious. Anyway. Oh, man. The news was written on the wall. Right, Lucid. Let's do it. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Lucid, as I predicted, is heading to go private. I've been saying for ages, and I have the evidence to prove it, the stock to prove it. The stock isn't worth anything. It's going to zero. It'll eventually be run into the ground. The Saudis will buy it out. It'll be like Virgin Orbit. It will go to nothing. It'll be bought out, and the shareholders will get absolutely nothing. Shall we discuss it? Shall we prove what I'm talking about? Yes, of course we will. But before I show you the proof, though, let me tell you what's about to happen. This is what is about to happen. First of all, the markets are all up today. We're making money on everything, but Lucid is going down. This is what's going to happen. Imagine me. I'm the guy on Reddit who messages me every day, and there are hundreds. I get messages every day, and people say this. They sit like this. They often sit with a cap like this, halfway on their heads like this, and they sit in their bedrooms and they go on Reddit, Martyn Lucas doesn't know what he's talking about. He keeps saying Lucid's going all the way down to zero. What does he know? Oi, get to bed. You're only 10 years of age. Hey, mum, I've just got to do this. Martyn Lucas knows you're 10 years of age. He knows that you're on Reddit talking nonsense. He knows that you're not an investor. He doesn't know I'm on Reddit. I'm doing it all the time. Get to bed. That's what's happening, right? Let me get rid of that. So these investors and gamblers every day tell me, you don't know what you're talking about. Lucid's the best car in the world and blah, 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 blah. And I reply respectfully. And I'm saying, I'm sorry you don't agree with me, but Lucid is going private. We know it's going private because every time I do the earnings report for Lucid, I listen to what Peter Rawlinson says. And Peter Rawlinson says he wants to get the best car in the world. It's all he talks about. It's worth $300,000. Even though they lose $500,000 on every single car they sell. Well, this was sent in today by Ed Nevius. We appreciate, Ed Nevius, your contribution this morning to the downfall of Lucid. You're now going to get people Redditing. Who's this Ed Nevius? Hang on a minute. Billy, will you get to bed? Ed Nevius doesn't know what he's talking about. He said the Saudis are buying it. That's why the share price of Lucid's gone down. If I sit and tweet this, I shall make it so. You won't make it so because you wear a silly hat, sit in the dark, and you should be in bed. Your mum's right. Listen to what she says. This is the reality of Lucid. We'll get serious now. Luxury EV maker Lucid just raised enough money to make it through to the middle of 2025. How did it raise money? It sold more of its company. It's going private. Guess what? The share price went down. Stuff to the investors. What's good for the company, however, isn't good for the stock. No surprise there then. Wednesday, Lucid announced about $3 billion in stock sales, with 60% of the new shares sold to the Saudi Arabian investors. It's what I keep saying. It's going private. I don't know how many more times I'm going to say it, so I'm going to say it really clear. If you are an investor in Lucid, you're going to lose all your money. I keep telling you, but you don't listen. You think if I just keep tweeting it, hang on. Billy, get to bed. I've just got to tell Martyn Lucas he's an idiot. It's the best car in the world. We know it's the best car in the world. Doesn't make any difference. Bugatti Veyron, Ferrari, you name it. All private. No one is going to buy the stocks of this because it's going to keep going down. Anyway, got to get back to the important stuff. Shares sold to the public were priced at about $6.91 each. Shares sold to the Saudi investors priced about $6.77. Stuff it over to the investors. There you go. Lucid stock closed Wednesday at $7.76 a share. Sometimes companies need to price large blocks of stock at a discount to fund enough buyers to complete the deal. Now, this is what I'm going to do, right? Enough of all this. I said this a week, 2 weeks ago before this came out. Kept telling everybody. Now, before anyone says I'm a pump and dumper and I don't know what I'm talking about, I have my real hard-earned money in Lucid. I've made money from Lucid. I made 140% on Lucid. And what's going to happen now? This is what's going to happen. Over the next few days, why do I keep calling him Uncle Billy? He's not Uncle, he's like 10 years old. Little Billy will be sat on his computer, Lucid's going to go to $1 million. Everyone should buy it. If I stick this on Reddit, everyone will buy it. Yep, he'll do that. And it will trend up. And then they'll come on and tell me in the comments, and they go, it's really great. All the Saudis are buying it. It's a brilliant investment. And up it will go. And it will go up to about $7, $8, $9. And guess what I'll do? I will sell it all. And once it goes above 9.11, my average, I'll start making profit and I will sell it all. And they'll go to me, you shouldn't have sold it all. It's going to go to $1 million. Is it really? Yep. Does it make any money? Have you read the balance sheet? Do you know it loses $500,000 on every car? That doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I have the power because I'm on my computer. So it will go up to about $9.50 and I'll sell the whole lot and I'll make about 10, 20%. And then I'll never buy Lucid again because Lucid's going private. And when a company goes private and it raises funds and goes private, eventually the shareholders get absolutely sod all. And that's what happens. And our little friends from Saudi Arabia ride off into the desert with all your money. And then you're sat there in your house like that. And your mum says, so, where did that get you? Well, basically, I've got lots of followers on my Reddit account. Are they your real friends? Well, no, because I said we should all buy it and the stock price would go up. And then they all dumped it when it went up. Well, you can't have shares anywhere. You're only 10 years of age. No one knows I'm 10. No one knows. And you live with your mum. No one knows these things. Martyn Lucas does, because he keeps calling you out on it. Anyway, Tesla fanboys are happy today. Shan LY. We got more fanboys. Tesla fanboys are happy. I bet they are. Tesla did stock offerings a couple of times. Different ball game, Shan LY. Tesla makes money. Lucid loses money. It's a very different thing. Anyway, there you go. Reply to this video. Leave me your thoughts below. I'm not even going to mention my giveaway because the people that watch this channel can't even enter. Sorry, the people that watch Lucid video are the angry investors in their back bedrooms. They won't want to enter to win $100. I'm not even going to give you the link. I'm not even going to tell you how to enter our giveaway because you won't do it. What you will do, and one particular person called Tina, who sends me hundreds of messages, and Emily, why they're always women, don't know why that is. They will comment to this video. They will make wild claims and nonsensery. That's my own word, by the way. I made that up. You can hashtag that. And I will reply very calmly and very politely. The only time I won't reply to you, so I'm telling you now, if you do comment and you swear a lot, I just delete it. But if you do actually just keep commenting, then I will reply to you. But if you swear, I just delete it. So no one will even see it. Anyway, have a lovely day. And our dear friend, Uncle, don't know why I keep calling him Uncle. Anyway, Billy Bob sat in his bedroom. You really need to get off Reddit and go to bed. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Oh, man. That's going to be my best video ever. Martyn, UCAR was a perfect call. Out. Woohoo. Excellent. Let's have a look. Tesla. Doing all right. Hi, Martyn. What is Virgin Timer next? What is the Virgin Timer next to your face? Bloody hell. That's the second person that's asked me that this morning. It's the clock. Look at UCAR. Hello? Ed Nevius, how come I didn't know about this? Ed Nevius, how come I didn't know about this? Unbelievable. This is one of Ed's trades. We give you this information every morning. Doesn't tell me, though. He just tells you. I'm too busy making the show. We did it. We did it here live, folks. Oh, you did it. You did it. I missed out all of it. Yes, everybody watching my show did it. I'm too busy. I'm too busy presenting you the information, telling you what to do. I didn't get anything out of it. I'm glad you made some money. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Anyway, I'm glad you all made some money. Flipping heck. I didn't know anything about this. Right. Yes, wow, Martin, look at you, Carl. Yeah, we did it. Yeah, you did it. I didn't. All the members did it. I didn't. I had nothing to do with it. As always. Like I said before, we've got Sensei and Ed, Luca Badge owners, conspiracies, starting their own little inner circle. I can see what's going on. I know what's going on. What do I get? Nothing. Virgin Galactic up 7.8. Ripple 51 cents. You bought it at 50 because you bought it. I haven't paid for it yet. Remember, I only owe you 100. I don't owe you 100 and whatever it is. Germany, you bought. Anyway. Oh, you bought 200. Yeah. $2. It's gone up to, I'm not giving you $102. I'm giving you 100. What you paid for it, all right? 100. Anyway. Can I actually wait to pay you? Actually? Because then actually, that works for me. Can I owe you $100? Because as Ripple goes up, I make money. I also make money on my 4% on my USD. Can I give you $100 in, say, 5 years? Can I pay you $1 a week for the next 100 years? But you're the boss, Martin. I'm not the boss of nothing. I ain't the boss of nothing. You tell me I'm the boss to make me feel important. I ain't the boss. You and it's Sensei. Like that. Behind the scenes on TikTok. I've seen what's going on. You don't think I don't know? Look at this. I got screens. Look, I got screens all over the place. All right? I know what's going on. Hang on a minute. Where's my other camera gone? Yeah, look, I got all this. I see all this. Got a big screen over here. That's for TikTok. I see everything. I know what's going on. But you're the boss. Yeah. That just makes me feel important, doesn't it? It's like I'm paying everyone to like me. I think you know the answer. Yeah, I know the answer. I know what's going on here. You power. When's this going to stop then? When are you going to tell me to get involved in this? Unbelievable. Engages the provision of vehicle sourcing. The firm broker sales a vehicle between... when did all this start? When did all this happen? We'll have to decline... Yeah. We'll have to decline. What do you mean? What do you mean? Decline the finance answer. The finance. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? You're making all this money in XRP. Why can't you lend me out $100? Oh God. This shouldn't be allowed. I don't even think this should be. This should be available to the general public. To be honest. There needs to be a health warning come with my channel. Right. I've got to go. I've got loads of videos to make, and I've got to make flipping videos for Sensei and flipping Ed Nevius now as well. So I need to go. I don't know why I'm still here. It's 11 o'clock. Way over time. And I don't even think... Actually, I'm just saying, by the way, I've been live now for 7, 8, 9, 10, 11... 3.5 hours. I've had no super chats. None. None whatsoever. I provided the best entertainment on TV, and nothing. The reason is low flow, free float. 2.5 million and free float. There we go. That's the reason why you're making money today, because it's a low float, free float, 2.5 million trade float rotation. Got it? Leah, do you know what that means? The reason is low float, free float, 2.5 million and trade float rotation. No, Leah is none the wiser, but she's very happy that people have made money on it. I got in a few minutes ago on Ed's tip, I got in at 987. I am up. 86 million shares traded, supply and demand. Well, that's all very well and good, isn't it? I need Ed Nevius. Can I give you $100 and you can trade it for me? Doesn't work. In case anyone's wondering, you can't do that. You can't do that because tax implications and all sorts of other issues would be in place. You can't give someone, unless they are an official broker and taxes and government rules and regulations. You can't just give someone some money and go, can you trade on my behalf? No, you can't do that. Just saying. Just in case anyone's thinking, well, that's a good idea. I'll just give Ed Nevis all my money and that'll sort that out. It's not how it works. 33.4. What did I tell you earlier about XRP? What did I tell you? No one listens to me. I always say it, right? 33,000 views. It's done 34,000 views. I told you it'd go to 100,000 this week. Told you. See, you might know about crypto and trading and floats and trade floats and 2.5 billion low floats, free floats. You know about that. But I know about making videos. I know about that, which is why I'm the boss. And I told you that was going to go up, and it has. Told you. Anyway, let's have a look. Let me check a few things before I go, because I've got to go. I can't be doing this all day with you lot. Yeah. Real goat herder, truly a hype, I thought, but they keep on going in tandem with IE, Nvidia. That's right. That's right. But take profits, though. Don't just sit there and think, well, I wish I'd, should have, could have, would have, all that stuff. 86 million shares traded, supply and demand. Right, that's it. I'm done. I've got to get out. I've got to go. I've got better things to do. I've got to have a life. Let's let's have a little look. So we're up to date. We're up everywhere, okay? We're just up everywhere, right? LOL, you're right, boss. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. That's right. I know about videos, right? Remember that when you and Sensei sit around scheming, right? We know all about this. Just remember who makes the videos, who's got the studio, right? Remember that. I'm done with this. I can't be sitting here all day. Right, let me do day trader of the day, because it's what we do every day, right? It's what we do. Let's bring everybody up to date, okay? We're giving away prizes. I am up 1.2%. I'm up 1.2%, right? I'm going to give you a minute to vote. I'm not even going to wait this time. I'm just going to do it straight away. If you're late, it's because you're not paying attention. That's your own fault. All right? It's just because I want to win. If no one else posts, I just win by default. So I'm not even going to wait for you. Even though you're about 15 seconds behind, I don't care. I'm not going to wait for you. All right? It's your own fault. You should be paying more attention. Click the like button under the video. I've told you about it before. If you don't know about it now, then too bad. It's your own fault. 29 seconds to go. Who's going to win? You don't want to know a lot up. You don't want to know. No, I don't. You got more money than me today. I don't want to hear about it. Right? Time's running out. What's the VITE for? What's the VITE for? Vote for? Vote, did you mean? Whether I should have bought... Are you talking about... this vote here? I'm paying you $100 to vote on it. I'm literally paying people to like me. Yes, I know. Someone's going to clip that as well. I am paying... Martyn Lucas says... breaking news! Martyn Lucas says he pays people to like him. There's the vote right there. You want to see what it is? There's the vote right there. If you vote on it and you retweet it, you can be in our $100 cash giveaway because I'm paying people to like me because it's what I do because I'm nice like that. I pay people to like me. I was that little kid in the playground, you know, walking around going, please like me. I don't like you. Yeah, but if I give you one of my sweets, will you like me? Yep. We like, hey, come round here. Martyn's giving out sweets because he wants everyone to like him. Oh, I like Martyn as well. I like you, Martyn. Can I have one? I do that basically on YouTube. Right, Eric B is at 1.65. He's made loads of money. Eric B's made 1 point. That's it then. Eric B wins. I'm just going to give it to Eric. Congratulations. Give him the sound effects. I'm going because everyone's making more money than me because everyone's got Ed Nevis' tips. There's an inside little club going on that I'm not part of anymore. I used to be. I used to have control over this channel and I used to know what was going on. That was the old days. Now things are all different. Now Ed and Sensei are in charge. I ain't got a clue. Right, I gotta go. I ain't got time for this. I've got a life to lead. I can't be sitting here constantly buying friends and giving money away when you all make more money than me. There's something wrong about that. Anyway, let's roll the credits. It's not going to be very good. Didn't get any super chats. You know? So anyway, I'll roll the credits and you'll see that I got a couple of friends. I got a couple of friends. Here they come. Here come the friends. Stars of the show. I got Sensei Crypto. Didn't give me any money. No, I'm paying for that privilege. That's me buying friends, all right? Followers. Loads of followers. Like I said before, get loads of followers because I pay to make friends. Okay? So, there you go. So that was our show today on June the 1st, Thursday, live from the United States of America. I got a 0 tip from Sensei because I paid for it, but I spent my hard-earned money buying loads of friends. So it was a good day. Anyway, enough of this because people are tuning in going, what on earth is this channel all about? So many comments to go through. Yes, welcome to my world, Sensei. Stop complaining and get on with it. All right, on TikTok. Yes, I know what it's like. Ed Nevius just gave me a super chat. Ed, you didn't even... It didn't read it out because you didn't do a tip. It's a super chat. It didn't read it out. Anyway, thank you, Ed. Ed, do you know what, Ed? Just for you, because we've got about 30 seconds before the music ends. Just for you, Ed. I'm gonna redo the credits, just so you can be in them. Here we go. You should be in the credits now. I'm gonna go. I'll see you back later on, folks. Take care of yourselves, your money, your crypto, each other, all that. There he is. Ed gave me a tip. Have a wonderful afternoon. Make sure you watch all the videos. Why? Because I said so. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye for now. See you this afternoon.